Gịnị na-eme? Ha ogbomo ọbịa narụ deme o ọjadufuo dike okorobịa nwaanyị na-egburu ọja na-akwụ aja mmụọ etachi obi ka ya ji arị ugwu ogene dị ife a ogene deme onwere dike n'ebe a nwekwa dike n'ebe a kelu chief of army staff olike eze chief ogbuefi gbanye ogbuefi deme ọ gịnị na-eme ọjadufuo dike ụmụ agbọghọ bịanụ fụrụ bịanụ deme bịanụ ọkwa nwanne gị nwaanyị ọkwa onye Enugu ọkwa ya Nsụka ahụ asị ya maje deme isi na isi ha bụ n'ọnụ nwaanyị na-aka ibi ọrịa nwaanyị na-aka what a man can do a woman can do ọ bụrụ ndị winchi a ndị witches and wizards ya juru ebe a bụrụ fanwa ọjadufuo dike ogene devil ebe nwaanyị na-egbu ọja nne pụta gabafu gị yes agwa na-abịa abụrụ dị na-akọ m ọnụ hia ọkwa onye Enugu steeti wepụta ego bịa tụọ nwa anya ukwu ya ekwe n'ụbụ onye ego ọ bụrụ ọkụ ya na-eru bịa bụ onye ego nwaanyị ibeghị ogene deme na tabazia no how
is the time where every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is a nation, that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. This time that we have, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile. Biafra now is a nation in Biafra land. So therefore, anybody still hanging on the platform of government in exile should exist from there. It is no longer government in exile because it has been declared. It is a nation, the United States of Biafra nation. We are here this evening to educate those of you who are ignorant about what you're supposed to do at this time. The distraction should stop. the confusion should end. It's the time where every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is a nation, that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. This time that we have, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile. That Biafra.
Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. People of mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel.
All right, welcome back again to my channel. I greet all of you. How do you do? I hope all is well with you. We are back again on a new video, live stream, of course, to share what you think that we can share with you, to learn from you, and to also teach you. All right, because we are here to learn from each other. This live stream is just like it's going to be like an interactive program, but in such a way that we'll be bringing to you what is going on and what you need to know. In the same hands, we'll be putting our eyes on the comment section to also learn from you. You understand? Because we are all one people trying to understand each other and trying to avoid being misled or misled by anybody. Making sure that we do what we can do to figure out what is the problem and to understand what is condition or situation is required from us. But before then, we have some people here on the comment section, which I would like to go through their comments. And I have to start from the beginning, even though the message seems to be big, but what can we do? This is just 8 minutes to 9 minutes to the program. And today's date is 11th day of August, 2026. So once again, I welcome all of you. Put your comment. That's the only way for me to know that you are here. PM also is in the court today. As you have already know, based on the information that we dropped in the morning, that PM is requesting for Biafrans to be in Finland in 17th of this month, most especially on 17th. So on 17th, if you are in Europe or you are in Asia, in Middle East, in America, in Canada, in Africa, if you can afford it, you have your way, okay, to go to Finland, please do. But much is expected from our brothers in the European countries to manage to be there and do the needful. So that announcement was made by DPM, and I've seen some people like Mazakwa and some other people, saying the same thing. So it will be interesting. Before I even saw it from DPM handle, early in the morning, I was in communication with one of our brother. I'm not gonna say the name, please. Okay, we were just talking normal conversation, and he somehow he let me know that there's a request from PM, and so it's okay. That's a very good, as if I had known. Yesterday I was saying it. People, to the extent that the professor, our prof, Professor Happy Ume, was also, demanding that the government should do better and government should assist, something like that. And she ended up saying that she can also, do something about it if there's anybody that was willing to go there. And I can assure you that that post that DPM made, demand that head of missions, USB government, do you know how many people? USB is in so many countries that if I begin to call the names of the countries, you yourself will be shocked. I think I have some of the details about that, mission head of USB government somewhere here. I don't know if I still have it. But before then, please let me remind you that tomorrow, Barrister will be here. Barrister will join us tomorrow in our program. Okay? So make sure you save the date, 7 p.m. Biafran time. And Barrister will be here to educate us in some of those things that we may not know. Okay, I think this one is different. I have so many. Okay, let me go back. Sorry. This message is in PDF, so I may not be able to. I don't know how to share it, but I'll try and see if there's any possibility for me to share it, just to let you know what you're supposed to know. Okay. I did not plan to share this, but so there's okay, that document is not here. This is 7 of 7. Is it the first one? Okay, let me go back because I know. Oh, there's so many. Okay, so many. Just a moment, please, guys. Don't be angry because for those of us that are asking, because I even plan to record this in a video, or maybe I will do that. It's going to help, isn't it? Maybe I will just do that. I don't want to show the information here. Okay, here we go. How will I cover this? How will I cover this? Excuse me. Let me see if I can do justice to that. Is there any means for me to cover it? Is there any means? Okay. I want to let me send it forward before I cannot talk because I know some of our people would like to know this. I don't want to share that. Is personal information that I don't need to. It's not easy. WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. Okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What will happen is this. Let me continue with my program. I will show you something after this. So once again, I welcome all of you. And we have the first person here is Udad. Udad, I greet you. All right. And I also have B. Silebo. I believe that's your name, my brother. It said, bless you, my brother Kai. I want you to join our program one day and show me how you pronounce your name. Maybe because I don't want to maltreat your name. Also blessed, I see you. Also blessed. God bless you, my brother. One call, Chisom. I see you, one call, Chisom. I think you are new to us, one call, Chisom. Happy to have you. Firstborn, one of us. and my bestie best. Please, I may not read all the comment, depending on the time. Please, I don't know how big it is. We did not read it on time, but I will try my best to those early commentators. I don't joke with you because that's how it should be. Mitchell, Royal Michael, I said Kai Report TV, Ekelem game, they were to you. Then we have a one coach, okay, say God bless, Ba. I don't know that. Anyway, how is your landlady? She's fine. And you, my brother, thank you so much. She's very, very fine. Thank you for asking. Also blessed, one name mother. Fidelis said, my beloved brother Kai TV, good afternoon. They one name mother. He said, he's in there. PM is striving. I'm not with PMO. I don't want to pretend to be. I don't want to pretend that I'm sleeping and waking up with PM. I don't have, but I believe he's okay. People that have that are in Finland. Okay, the message we are getting from Finland is good. It's not a bad thing at all. Please like and share. That is from our own Ada. And bless you, my brother Kai. How are you doing? Hope you are good. May God of Biafra protect you. He said, and protect you too. One Guy, God bless Biafra. And Ben Iwo, our own beloved brother, greetings from here, Mazakai. Greetings to you. Oisio Ganga was a blessed. He said, always crying. Whenever I heard from this man, I always cry whenever I hear from this man what Sabo has cast, what has called reference is much. Yeah, he's heartbroken, to be honest. Holy Ghost is, bless. Please don't forget to like the program. Very, very important, my dear. Daniel, our own brother, there was he said in the platforms of government in exile, they by him. Alomere. Why more liver said good afternoon from Ghana. I miss this commander. True. Masikai Udo Drege, no matter the delay, our PM comes out victorious. Naso Udoka, I see you. And we have Juliet in there. Good afternoon from him, my side. And there was Juliet and our brother again. Said I chatted with him before they execute him. Very sad. Oyekachi Carlo, good afternoon from Biafra land. Thank you so much. Amechi Jonas, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to you, one and mother. Our own triple M, Oyembamba. I am a citizen of Biafra, United States of Biafra, USB. They will said again, and Nigeria must go out of the United States of Biafra, USB, as soon as possible. It said, as USB is now a sovereign nation. I hear you. Royal Michael said, Maze Aqua Vavavam is desperate. He knows he is finished. He will soon run mad looking for how he can scam Biafrans. I don't know what you mean by that. We have come again. And he said again, and we must continue to come in until our freedom is completely restored. That's a triple M. There with my brother Okonkwede. I see you. Greetings to everyone. You're welcome. So for those of you check out group, please can you stop? Is that you watch or you go, please? Okay. check out group, please. Stay one place. Either you don't like, if you don't like the video, please can you just distance yourself? Then in and out, Oliver Hillary. This is just, you can do that if you have spent maybe 30 minutes of the program. I don't mind. But the beginning like this, please don't check out, okay? Gerard, I see you. Mazikai report. They were to you. Triple M. Greetings to you, Mazikai reports. We are really winning the battle by minutes. And they were Mazikai, and they were to you. Greetings to you, all my genuine fellow USB citizens. Guys, kindly hit the like button and share the broadcast widely. Guys, okay, rejoice. Guys, rejoice. USB is really making a headway. Congratulations to us. Triple M. Our great PM Biafrans are praying for you. You have done nothing wrong except protecting the interest of Biafrans. Victory is assured. That's from Triple M. And then again, we have Big Mommy. He said, good afternoon, Mazikai report. Good afternoon to you, our mommy. Greetings to you. Aloy Chike said, they were Kai reports. They were to you. Chike Chibo, I greet you. So I think I'm going to stop here. We have tried this 21 minutes just to send greetings. So please, it's okay. All right. If I didn't mention them, please don't feel bad. All right. Yeah, it depends on when you put your comment. We have Cecilia is here. Good morning, Cecilia Dewo. All of you that are here, please, I welcome all of you. Now, when I talked about missions, because that's what DPM said in her statement, which of course we have used that in this morning update. So I mentioned something there about there's somebody that want to drop a link to. Let me drop this link for this our beloved sister to. Is going to obstruct what with my setup? Ready? Okay, let me just allow it. I will quickly do this. Let me just say it before. So I told us something about that DPM made an announcement saying that mission head from all over the world is mandated or is expected to send at least one delegate to be in Finland. It may be difficult, but it is good for them to be aware. If you can just go, please do. It will cost a lot, but it's worth it. It will cost a lot, but it's worth it. Some of you will say, how many mission head is not only Japan and maybe Belgium and Netherlands. No, it's not. Okay, it's not. And here we go. Let me quickly share this for you to understand what we're talking about. So I will be mentioning. I think do we have somebody in the house? Okay, no. Okay, I think I will be mentioning something here. These countries you are seeing here. Okay, this country you are seeing here is where USB have their diplomatic mission and representative in the North-South America. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know if it's readable from your side or not. But let me just put it this way. Okay, this is for your own information, so that you can help you feel that if I maybe just not restricted to one place and all that. Now, if you are living in these countries, you are privileged to have access to people that are there. For example, representative in Brazil, this is number one. Okay, head of mission Ambassador Udo Ejike Vicente. Email address is here. Then representative in Canada is here. Head of mission ambassador. Okay, is there? Email is there. Then representative in Ecuador. USB government have missions in Ecuador. Okay, let me mention the country. Brazil, you can see there. Canada, Ecuador, and the United States of Biafra, Biafra Republic Government in exile, de facto. This is de facto. Department of American Affairs and Mission DC. So this one is probably de facto, or I don't know, maybe in Republic Government in exile, United States of Biafra. Okay, then the email is also there. Then the representative in Guyana, South America as well. You can see it also. Ambassador Chukwuma Njoko. The email address is this, in case you want to reach out to them. Then Jamaica, they have office in Jamaica. They have in Uruguay, okay? They have in Suriname. I think when I know the first time I know this country is when Flavor had concert in that country. Is there and a black country like Cuba? Okay, Suriname. I don't know if I pronounced it well. So there was a time Flavor was there in that country. Then we also this one is also USB VRGE Defatos. Also, you can see it here. Head of mission. The name is Shad de Meyer. I think this is New York. Okay. The other one is also where in America, Department of America Affairs. Okay, this is also I think in America as well. Then Jamaica, I mentioned Jamaica, I mentioned Uruguay, okay, Suriname and the US, USB. Then again, United States of Biafra Mission, Australia is here. The contact is here as well, Amazon Kenechuku and Asudo. Germany, Belgium, I mean, is here. Belgium, even the email address, everything, and their ID is always attached to that. Biafra License Finland is there. The email address is there. Mission Biafran, of course, in France is there. Biafran, okay, in Germany again. This one is Belgium and Germany, okay, because the flag looks alike. Then you come here again, you have another one in Greece. They have in Greece, they have in Ireland, they have in Italy, they have in Malta, they have in Netherlands, they have in Norway, Spain, Sweden, England, UK, Angola is here, Algeria is here, Benin Republic is here, Democratic Republic of Congo is here, Gabon is here, Gambia, Ghana, Ivory Coast, Kenya, representative in Nigeria is here, of course, with email address, Liberia, Libya, Mauritania is here, okay, and of course they also have in Mozambique, Niger, Togo, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Mali, Burkina Faso, Tanzania, Sierra Leone, Equatorial Guinea. The other one is Australia. This one is Australia. Yeah. The other one is Australia. This one is Australia. New Zealand, China, India. Wow. Indonesia, South Korea, Japan, Honorable Henry. Kazakhstan. Wow. Thailand, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Philippines, Vietnam, Bahrain, Pakistan. Bahrain is about Chino also. Okay. Pakistan, Oman, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, representative in Israel. Why I'm showing you this is because people don't understand. Do you understand? People don't understand. Just a moment, please. Just a moment. I want to know what is going on. Sorry about that. So we have this is Qatar, Israel. Okay. So this is the countries where you can find different missions like head of missions and head office and everything. They are there. When you hear that Biafran government has submitted documents, this place, is not a child play. It's not by talking. How many of us know this? How many of us know this? People think that is a joke, like it's just a normal, another storytellers, you know. No, it's not. The business is actually real. The business is not like business as usual. Ekpa Justin, I see you. Please, I would like to know how our people in Nigerian prisons will be using USB ID card for their release from Nigeria prison according to DPM. How is it going to work out? Please don't block her. Please, I hope you have not blocked her. Don't block her yet. Cecilia, let today be the first and last day you will come to my program and comment nonsense. Do you hear me? I'm warning you calmly, genuinely. You are forgiven. Okay, let me say, maybe you drink palm wine, no go 3 days. You know, my bolora. You drink, maybe not like you, maybe more. Somehow, maybe you drink a bad. So your brain is not actually working. Let today be the first and last. Do you hear me? To let it be. I'm not joking. If you do it again, you don't go like them. I will not only talk to you. Just wash your hand and feet and go. If you actually mean to talk, say something meaningful, then have to be serious about your life first. Then if you this madness in your brain, this is the first and last that you have chance to say it here. I'm warning you, let it be the first and last. Do you hear me? Because I noticed that you are not an idiot. You are not just an idiot. You are worse than an animal. And I don't want to entertain you again. If you comment any day you come to my platform, it's better you say, "Kai report, how are you?" and go. If you want to watch, you watch. If you don't want, just put yourself in chain and stop stupidity. I don't have time for that nonsense. Okay? Let it be the first and last. Just a moment. Goddess, I greet you. Just a moment. Sorry about that. I don't even know that I've not unmuted my mic. He said, where's Ekpa Justin? Ekpa Justin said, we don't need bad blood. Yeah, I don't need it. And if anybody try to do that, this is the first and last. If you try it again, you will not like it. I don't want to have bad feeling about you. Just stop it, okay? It is better you just be you yourself. Why not that is, you can live without noticing me. I can live without noticing you. So why must we argue for if anyone meaning? So anybody with Spanish can send her to where she belongs now, because the reason why I say you should not block her for her to hear what I'm about to tell her. So the color person I know, because I did not disturb you in your group. I have not. I went to one of your members' platform. So we argued there unannounced, and he kicked me out. I don't feel bad about it. He has the right. He has the right to do anything, but you cannot come here. You get to. There's no time that DPM said what you are saying, But because you are an evil person, you are very, very evil. You don't allow it, even no matter how you hate somebody, don't quote the person out of context. It is better that you say that you think that she wanted to say this or she. I mean, you can just say something. You will be human for once in your lifetime. I don't want to go there again. So let us continue. I'm sorry about that. Please, Goddess, I greet you like I was saying. Can I leave him for us? Put her in the place, in the place, idiot. Yes, so that's a very good thing. That's a very good thing. Thank you so much for that. God bless you for doing so. Cecilia is I spot on you. Said I spot you on one. Okay. Cecilia, I spot you on one time. Oh yeah, Uchu. Okay, God is understanding. He said darkness. Yes, so I understand that very, very well. So let me continue with what I wanted to tell you, what I wanted to share with us. So there's some people are actually in Finland today, okay, in PM's court case. So we are going to touchlight it without delay. Let's see if I can touchlight it a little bit. Today in the courts, let me bring this from handle of this woman called Nikki. Okay, so let's see what she posted. Not only because of that she's in Finland, there's something she said that is interesting. Okay, there's something that she said that is quite interesting, and I want you to pay close attention to that. Today, in the court, 11th of August 2026, PM Simon Ekpa is teaching them self-determination under the international law, breaking it down bit by bit. Very interesting course section. It could be the first section. We have entered the second seasons. I also just discovered, listen, PM was never given opportunity last year in the court to explain the legal backup of what he was doing. This is bad. Montevideo Convention right to self-determination has never been brought up, but we are entertaining there, but we are entering there now. Victory must be ours. There are so many things I wanted to chip in here, but because I am not privileged to go there, I am not going to say anything. But what you need to understand is that, just like Nkiru have said here, remember, this Nkiru, I believe she's fighting, you know, she mean good. Okay, she want to contribute, she want to get involved, she want to do her best. But because I don't know her person, I don't want to quote her. I don't want to say that she loves listening to gossip, but I don't know why. Maybe personal problem, maybe her inability to dictate truth, or she don't have time to analyze things very well. I don't know. But for no just reason, she's unable to make good decisions when it comes to decision making. She keep on falling to a group that doesn't really have what it takes to represent or to contribute anything positively, because she started by falling back. Now she's going in. But sometimes when you listen to her, she will ask, sometimes, not every time, she will ask some questions that will make you feel like she's trying to receive her deliverance. Because what she just said here now, that she just noticed now, listen, let me highlight it. From here, please. See what she said here. Okay? See what she said here, down here. I also just discovered PM was never given opportunity last year, 2025, when they sentenced him that 3 years. Now that she's now not discovering that because she's in Finland. What about those that are not in Finland? Do you know why Nkiru was unable to discover that? Because Nkiru has been working with Ogenkere, claiming to be in charge of PM Lego team, Lego process, Lego this. Nkiru, you are part and parcel of that last year Lego process that caused sittings that lead to sentencing PM 3 years and whatever. You get the point now. He said that he was not given opportunity in the court. What they did there is just like Kukapu story, and they wanted to do it again. People are here to see this also. They wanted to do it again. How many of you remember when DPM started shouting that you cannot allow people that did this last year to continue doing it again this time around? That they should shift, they should just stay away. Last year, not just that they claimed to be in charge of legal team and the court process, they also blocked every other helping hand that would have gotten to Finland, to PM. Every other helping hand that would have, assist PM in that. These guys blocked it. Why? They want to be in charge just to discredit DPM. PM was sentenced. Imagine that. Just imagine that. The same process they started doing when they said that before you visit PM, they are the only one. Do you know the intention? To prove that they are the one in charge also. But who is going to pay for that? PM. They will just shut everything down, shut him up, blah, 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 rule the case without following the due process. Now that the USB government got involved, after making sure that they stopped the agenda of sending him back to Bongo, remember, if you ask every average Nigerian politicians or Nigerian representative, they will tell you that don't worry, he's coming back. Don't worry, we are working on that. Don't worry, things are moving. Are you hearing that anymore? Who stopped it? Who stopped that? Your guess is as good as mine. So you should know this. And Nkiru noticing just now that she's noticing that PM was not represented properly. They don't even allow him to present anything. Just imagine that kind of court ruling. Imagine that kind of trial. You will be in the court and they just give you one lawyer, probably instruct the lawyer what to do. Just any bobo yaya before you know that sentence. They hammered him sentence. Do they know what to do? They don't know how to go about it. Remember that people don't know what to do. Okay, they don't even know. They don't. These guys don't know anything. PM need help. Not that PM don't know what to do, but he needed help, and nobody want to, speak for him. He needed free person that understand international law, that know where to go and how to go about it. It was just recent time, this appeal now, that even before the appeal, not that they just sentenced PM, the agenda was to also carry him and send to Oboda Afudebe. Then that is when USB and Matanga step in. I know they will say, no, it's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. Okay? It's not a lie. Because so many things is going on. Some say that Matanga is not in Finland, he's far away, he's nowhere to be found, and all that. That pushed me to check if it is true or not. And today I found out that anybody's telling that Matanga is not there is lying to you. It's not true. He's there, and in fact, it's even laughable to say that. That is another way that these guys have, another way of exposing themselves. So many things is just today. If I got to know something about it that is not what you think. It's actually not what you think. Odogo, have it. So my people need to appreciate what is good when you see one. Nkiru saying that she's just noticing that PM was not even given a chance. Look at it here. I also just discovered that PM was not given opportunity last year in the court to explain the legal backup of what he was doing. Do you understand it? This is bad. Montevideo Convention right to self-determination has never been brought up, but we are entering there now. Victory must be ours. Now, let's hear, watch this short clip from her.
Something to emulate. If you come now, just open the heart to one high. No, what person? Somebody like Kinky, and maybe myself with a little, I want a little,
Honestly, I wanted to understand what they are saying there, but the voice is not all that clear. Let me try again, because I heard Ikukuna and Inki.
Open up for a hindrance, like you could now. Something to emulate. If you come now, just open the heart to one high. No, what person? Somebody like Kinky, and maybe myself with a little, I want a little, I'm a retirement.
Okay, sorry, I was not able to capture what they're saying there. So I don't know. But whichever way, I heard Ikukuna and Inki, something like that. So I don't know, because I have a very noisy background here. I don't know if that is reason, but I'm going to listen to that after the program to understand what she said there. I think the lady is the lady from the one from they said from US. I don't know. So we are going to try it later. But at the end of the day, Nkiru have confirmed that she is not aware of what happened in 2025, which is surprising because she claimed to be part of the government that checkmating everything. And let me just remind you, she also mentioned Montevideo Convention. So the question is, where she belongs now? Are they following Montevideo Convention? Is there any way in that Montevideo Convention they said that you will go front and come back? That you will declare a nation and go back? Is it written there? Well, they always want to talk about it anyway. These same people cannot tell you what they know about freedom, but they want you to listen to them, just follow them. That's all. Anyway, I want to hear from someone that was in Finland. Let me see if I can reach out to her to give us maybe a little update on what she knows so far. I hope she is gonna pick the call. Just a moment. Please, if you have not liked the video, do me a favor, like the video, okay? Like the video. Mazekai, but nobody that went to Finland saw Matanga. Mazekai, but how come nobody set their eyes on Matanga in the court? I will answer you, Daniel. I will answer you. Okay, I think the line is not going anymore, and it's okay. Let's continue. Let's continue. Yeah, you talked about. You said that nobody went there and saw Matanga. You are not meant to see him. Do you understand? He's not there to observe. He's there to support, and he's not there for you or for those. He's not there to see Adada Orama, to report to Ikuku Nagi, or to report to Ifai. No, he's there for the reason why he's there, and what you don't know is bigger than you. Do you understand? So it's as simple as ABC. He's not going there to be a lawyer that will represent PM. That will stand with that. Are you expecting people to lie like what you guys normally do? That you're hiring a lawyer from America that will defend PM. When the time comes, what happened? They shift the man to special envoy, no longer part of the legal team. What does that tell you? So do you understand? You should understand this because it's not for you. It is actually how what it is. And if you say that he's not there, I keep on asking you guys, who made it possible for the state, Nigerian state, not to carry PM back to homeland? Who made it possible? If you can answer that, then you are ready to understand. You are sincere to yourself. If you can answer that, who made it possible? Is it Chomo Koma, Bryson Okoma? Who made it? Is it Ogenkel? Imam Badab? Can you tell us? And Nkiru also said something that the Montevideo Convention was not mentioned. Look at it here. She said that Pierre was not given opportunity last year in the court to explain the legal backup of what he was doing. They said this is bad. Montevideo Convention rights to self-determination has never been brought up, but we are entering there now. By the time we enter there, then that is when the question about PM, what is your intention? You form government in exile to achieve what? Do you understand? That is when the whole thing will start. Hello? Yeah.
Is the time where every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is a nation, that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. This time that we had, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile. That Biafra now is a nation in Biafra land. So therefore, anybody still hanging on the platform of government in exile should exist from there. It is no longer government in exile because it has been declared. It is
All right, my people, I am online with Pastor Rose. She wants to talk to us. And then, Pastor Rose, you are welcome.
God bless you, my people. Chukwukozi, all help Biafra. And my honorables in the house, my honorables wherever you are, all the Biafrans, I want to thank you for your good work. And I want to say it. May Chukwu Kikabiama bless each one of us that have been standing upright in this struggle. This struggle is for all of us. I went to Finland. If you were there, you will see that our PM has given up for this struggle. Our day one, which is the day we did the rally, it was God intervention. If you are in the street doing it, you'll be sharing tears. Our PM, Mazi Simone and Joko, touched everyone's heart, whether indigenous, whether foreigners. Immediately they saw the clothes, what we are wearing, t-shirt for our PM. Everyone was twittering it, was videoing it. None man, none woman said this man is wrong. To the extent one person came and said, if our PM was still around, this road that is dirty could not be dirty.
Wow.
Because he is the one that was organizing that road. He was the one, the chief, the contract. He was the contractor that cleans the road. The streets. We went to supermarkets, and a security man came in and said, with that Simon Ekpa, he will not be there. He's willing to testify.
Wow.
Everybody in Latin was totally happy with us. What we did in one accord was a great thing. Even when the devil, those ones that they felt they want to stop this struggle, they are content creator. And there is a message coming from our PM. All of them were there. 3 times we went to the court. 3 times we have bread. What our PM warned us, especially those that they knows their name. Ada Diorama, Shine, and the media united. Biafra united. The media particular, we should stop fighting each other. Calling ourselves Sabo, calling ourselves that we are the cause of the killing in Biafra land. That is not true. That these things are not personal issues. We should take, especially now that this court case is going on.
Yeah.
That we should stop it because it's affecting this court. He warned us continuously. Anytime we came to Ogun, even in that court case, in that court room, he's begging us, pleading that we should stop this. Even if there is anything, for the sake of this case, I beg you, my brothers and sisters, I beg you. You said you love Mazi Simon Ekpa. You call him different type of names, but you don't want to obey him, even in that prison that he is fighting for our freedom. When will you obey him? You transport yourself, you fly, at least the ticket money and the hotel money is 1,000. Not you're transporting yourself to that place. There is some people that is in Finland, but still you are there causing hardship. You are now in internet, still calling your fellow Biafran that you are fighting the same cause. Your fellow Biafran that you went there to stand with PM, wearing the same shirt, you are causing him. And the man that you are standing with begged you, warned you that we should stop all this fighting. I want to tell Biafra this moment, there is nothing they are using to judge our PM if it is not what it is not what it is in the air. Then you are calling your brothers and sisters, the people you see their names in that court. All the whole thing that is there is all the cabinet in USP. Their name appeared. That started with Mazi Simon M. and Joko. Our names are here in the computer. It's not that they put it in Latin, in English. You people know what it means.
You mean the name of
2023?
Can you hear me?
That is
Is it which name are you talking about? Name of people that are in Finland or name of who?
Our name that is in cabinet with Mazi Simon Ekpa. You understand?
Okay.
2023. You remember we
Yeah.
We have an almanac.
Yeah.
We have a catalog. You remember I was the head of the state Germany. My name came out. They saw it. All of us that work with Mazi Simon Ekpa. And the same people you are calling Sabo, the same people you are calling killer, that they are the one killing your people. And these are the people that is with Mazi Simon Ekpa.
Okay.
So how do you think that they will still use this thing against our word? Because even till yesterday, it was still his tweet, the Twitter that are using it. It was all the document, all of them. It's not that they kept us outside. Everything you see it. And after the court case, PM will come out, beg us, plead on his behalf. We should stop this fighting. But he begged Adajorama on hooking him, holding his hand. The same thing, Shai, the same thing, all of them. Please stop this thing. But this woman will come out and say that he don't want to start it, he don't care. Everything we are doing there, he's trying to stop it. He's fighting everybody. He's featuring everybody in that court case. I beg you, my brothers and sisters.
Wow.
Let's be stop at this moment. Ihe Mazi chọrọ peace ka anyị ma ike by Chukwu Okike abịama. This week this on 17th ihe anyị na PM ga-eji pụta ka anyị celebrate ya. These people you are seeing that don't want to pay Mazi Simon, they are not for Mazi Simon. They are for content creator. They are creating, they are just using it to do their damage work. I am not making peace with you because there is something I will benefit with you. I am making peace because me and you are fighting one cause to bring Biafra. I am making peace because Mazi Simon said it is right for us to stand in unity and get this freedom. It's like a team work. And this is exactly what he gives us to tell our people. No Zuko. No Zuko. Because Yahoo no Zu. Nanga. Na ịchọrọ ịkwụkwara ya takwunye ndị ahụ emekere sure nọ n'ebe ahụ. We want to bring him back to those people who want him dead. You may say you are doing this thing because it is your personal something. But you say you love Mazi Simon Power PM. You say you love him, but you are the one indirectly condemning this man to the hand of the criminal.
But Lazuba was there, right? Hearing everything, right?
Are they hearing? If they are not hearing, please let them do so that I will see what we can do and come in there.
No, everybody's hearing what you are saying. I'm just asking when in Finland, Lazuba was hearing this what you are just saying, and that
he was there, both of them was there. But will they hear? After he finished, he will come and start making noise. That is it, because he's not for PM. If he's for this struggle, really he has his heart for this struggle until here, this man is always shouting up at Obie, this and this. He will listen to his word. Even upon yesterday, she was sleeping in the courtroom. Even upon yesterday,
she was doing what in the courtroom? He said she was doing what in the courtroom?
Sleeping in the courtroom, because you understand, he don't care what it is. That is not what she's from. What she's is after we finish, she came. You see that place she's videoing?
Yeah.
It's where the security people will, security will, you understand, they will check you. After checking you, you will sit. You will sit there until when the courts begin, everybody will enter inside the courts. And after that, and they have warned everybody, stop that nonsense. We are fighting each other. Because all of them see till 5th of this month, August, till today, it has been the Twitter, the YouTube they are using.
Which
that ESN is not, he don't know anything about ESN.
Okay.
And they asked him, what is ESN? He told him his name. E stands for Ekpa. S stands for Simon. N stands for Njoko. Have you seen it? That is ESN. His name, his initial name.
Yeah.
And they check all the Twitter. They have never seen anywhere connected with ESN. Then they asked him of all the people that he has worked with, which is this document, my DBM, may God bless you, our PM. He did a lot. Do you know what he told them?
No.
He told them even on 2023, over 1 million US, not USA, euro were invested in Finland, which is the day we went with Mazi Simon Ekpa 2023. When the world thought that Igbos cannot come together.
Yeah.
He made, nobody have ever heard about Finland. But that day was a remarkable beginning of Finland, where the whole world was seeing all the Biafra here. One and for 5 days we were there. It was heaven on earth. He told them, look. And the people you are calling Sabu, the people you are calling killing, are the people that they are using their names and their face to judge in that court. Then do you love PM? Is it not anything? What are you people talking about? If the same people, if you people were not inside that court and see the names and see the face, and these people that is fighting, their face, their name is not in that document.
Okay.
But our name, Dr. Ngozi Orabese, the DPM, is there.
Okay.
My name is there.
Jomo Komat's name is not there.
Almost all the whole cabinet members, their names are there. All the whole almanac we use, that is exactly what they are using to judge this man. That's why he said we should resist in calling names and fighting each other for now. He begged. Is it too much for you people not to listen to this man that are giving all for us?
But I want to ask you, Chomo Koma's name, is he in the list?
I'm listening, my brother.
I said Chomo Koma's name. Did her name appear also?
Why will his name appear? Because you know what? He wasn't a cabinet member during that time.
Okay.
They came after.
Okay.
They came after.
Okay.
Only their pictures was there because they snap picture at that distance. But their names are not there because then there was never any members of the distance. But the magazines they brought, there some faces were there, but their face was there is still in. It's not public, you understand? You can't see it. But we, that is the cabinet members who has worked with Mazi Simon Ekpa, that has everything, our name, and it's still the woman that you people are condemning is working with her. How can you? And that's why he said, please, wherever Maggie Nombo, Ote Jesus also say Peter, wherever Maggie Nombo, take your knife and put back in your destiny so that let us get this freedom.
Can we ask questions?
There's a persecutor who would sue Nigeria. This thing. This is what is coming from their mouth. Look, these are the people. Can't you people think? Can't you people listen to PM at just a time of this moment?
Okay.
Be cool. I am on my knees. I am on knees. I take humiliation. They almost kill me. They almost beat me. You see,
I was here laughing at you because I was here laughing at you simply. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I was here laughing at you because you always talk about peace, unity, and understand, just like what you're saying. But the message is that Lazuba and people that are actually doing this shenanigan, they don't listen. Like you yourself have witnessed that they don't listen. And the best thing to do is not to persuade them for unity. I don't think it's a good idea. I think the best thing to do is maybe if you can chip that to PM to tell this woman to stop coming to Finland. Stay away from me.
Okay, let me tell you. That is why they are fighting me. Because in that court case, I was telling you one day, BM, what I said, BM would tell them, stop it. You will hear when they don't want me to do this. You hear when I was telling BM, and they were calling my name, Rose. You hear it? Because I was telling them, these are the people causing this problem outside. Tell them to stop it. These are the people, even as you are telling them, they will not accept it, they will still go out.
Because PM have not come out and said that to them direct. So I think when if PM can pass that message, notify this Adadorama and Biafra you disunite, because these two are basically focusing on.
What Biafra Unite was like. He said he's the one who did it. Mazi did not tell you this thing. It's unfortunately they are hearing me.
Yes.
I contact me and Mazi, the PM. You will see my first post I made. I said it before he acknowledged it. You understand? For them to, that's why I said these people, the way they lie to Biafrans. That first post I made before the Finland came in and made their own was the first one I said to them. I didn't put my phone number because I believe that when I did it like this, the thing that we understand, we don't want to say they are the people who organize it. Mazi said that. No, we wanted to do this so that we go and stand for solidarity. Mazi, we caught it.
All right. Thank you so much. I before you go, some people want to ask you just a few questions. Odoguendugu, you are here. Before you are here before Madam Oruji. Just a second. Let me know if Odoguendugu have question for Pastor Rose, or he want to make a comment. Just make it snappy. So Madam Oruji, I think she want to rush it sharply.
I just have a question I wanted to ask her.
And the Kaita Pastor Rose come here too.
Master Greg is here. Master Greg,
No problem.
so let's
Great Master Greg is an honorable. He went with us and he saw it, the part of it.
We know.
He was with us, and he can testify what I'm saying because he was with us in that court.
Thank you.
I was closer to him. I was showing him everything. You can ask him.
All right.
He can speak even again to Biafra. Because today for this program, I want us, anybody want to ask so that you can share it, and please let us now.
All right. Thank you so much.
Let's on this case and focus with Nigeria.
Pastor Rose, thank you so much. Madam Origin, your question.
Yes, Pastor Rose, thank you so very much. We are proud of you. Thank you for all you do for Biafrans and for our Prime Minister. Thank you so much. My question, because I know we will talk later, is this. Don't you think that these people are not going to stop? Because one of the things that I have at the back of my mind is what one Dr. Kachi said, that the Nigeria government employed individuals that are in the system, that are in the struggle, constituting nuisance. Their main assignment is to make sure that Biafra didn't happen. And you see what has been happening since the court case started, where do you think they will ever stop? They will even, I'm thinking they may be worse. So
you see, okay, let me give you so that another person would say, like for example now, from Monday by the Chukwokitabiama on Sunday, because I came back to change and to go back, you understand, because of the strain. I believe that on Monday there will be another. Now the USB is, you understand, fully involved. And now we have to take measure from now. It's not going to be about the Finland. This is not about Mazi Finland. This is about our Prime Minister case. We are going to get another measure from the government. Now the people that is causing nuisance, they want to take them away. So now anyone who is coming, if she don't behave his or herself, it's going to be for government. Mazi Simon has nothing again. He has given us warning, he has begged us, he has said, and none. So now we are going under to organize ourselves, and whoever that don't compose himself, then the person will get the authority be removed. That's all. That's the measure.
And also, if our government will make if our government will make a formal report that there are agents sent by Nigeria to create confusion, so that they make it a formal report, because this has happened and it is very obvious.
Man, that is not what we are, this is exactly when on Finland. In the Finland, no matter the English, Igbo Kahanas, Finland, Finnish Kahanas, and the English I so now. Emma, all the pink Korea, some Casuni has this time around, I am not get church. I not give me a show behind a got you okay, I get to see. I got me high game, but that number one that this time from Monday to the end of this day, it got hold that place it got in our because we are not Maziaro guy. I am gonna get her who not tweet of when I got only a chosen message be. I get Onya Hogaga. I need the gas one on the Nigeria because all you have Kamaze Warani. Ndị anyị na-asịkwa aha ha dịkwa ebe a. Ndị anyị na-asị na-ese anyị abanye ebe ahụ ọkwa ịghọta. The only thing anyị ga-agwa ha bụ na ndị a na-strọsụ ihe anyị na-eme ọkwa ịghọta. For moment na anyị dị ma 10 ma 15 kwụrụtị ha ha bụkụ ya, a ga-ebupụ ọkwa ịghọta. wee ihe anọ anyị nwa na-represent this thing ọkwa ịghọta adị na aha anyị dị na dise ihe ikpe a na-ebi ọkwa ị na-aghọta ha cheki ya na aha anyị dị anọ anyị nwa ndị achọ dị ya adị cheki ya na ndị a na-eme mkpọtụ na aha ha dị ya a ga-ebufu ha ka m kpọwara gị ụta ha chọọ m ịkpọwa ya n'ihe anyị na-aghọta ihe m na-ekwu so enwere gọọmenti anyị na-agazi na this case eke aga na ihe ha chọrọ imebe we have getting it that anybody na-abịa na ka compose onwe ya very well and the PM after if you watch yesterday PM did not come out because he's not happy for what is going until I compose onwe we keep akele but they need to leave on Monday because we did not listen to his comments. We did even in that prison fighting for his life. We could not even obey him. So let him be in that court. But for this moment, it will not be as usual. Finland don't go Biafra no PM. And then also I stop. Ndị achọghị stop. That means now I'm not the next argument. And we will not, please, like I said, I know you have a PM over. At this moment, none of us, none of the indigenous, we have Nigeria. You understand? Because no India we don't know India or India. India we don't know India. India we don't know India. I may have I never know what that's what they say. I may have no. I have for I have a moment in a hand where can it record? No, how I would plot single PM or forever. But can you have been a response to them?
Okay, Pastor Rose, if you could deny man, case Makanda for not was DPM or you guys think you could about it like that.
I know me, he could.
Lazana Patana Bona, you could DPM Boyo Boni.
That is what I'm talking. No, because
okay, Nathan, okay.
When presidents in the PM and the PM and one assistant PM, here was COS, which means he had Yawa with the right, but I hold the now. So he had other higher than that's us, they have never. So why you people doing it? That is why we decide stop we have HO4 stop all this thing, stop being a fight. So
stop yeah, Pastor, check and check. Can you stop it at this moment? Like I said, you have a Gmail, I will not Twitter. You have only live will get a baby. Twitter.
Sorry, Twitter Mazi Medikeji now who the persecutor. And that's why they see on 17. They actually everybody know 17 is our PM day. Okay, with the case here. So more than other shipia na 5th or 1 the judge was sympathy. The lawyer, lawyer PM the man is to be short. God favored us in that place. Everywhere they with it. And they chance to only defeat. Even any lender with it was forced to work at this new lawyer and work on him everything. Work on that job that my tweet out on this useless people tweet against us. Oh, how I wouldn't be a boy. I doesn't defend your heart on say. So what can I work on the real thing? And that's why I need this opportunity. Now I know everybody. We need it because we need to be 16th. Everybody can Latin equal. Or we will be there more but excuses. Nobody know you have one or these days, sir. But 17, imagine 17, it was a lot of, but I job, PM, everybody on 17th. I not you a case, born at 16, and I not because that is me. Even if it's down be way more holiday, but any let is this month of PM. And then I room because only Maroto is my hotel this my ticket because we need it because you know what? Yeah, this is the time PM needed our president. He has suffered. He Jerry, one guy and a PM with the issue. I want to tell Biafra, when you are in a country that is cold, here how we see our natural is because now Finland is very cold, everybody, man.
Because Pastor Rose, I gonna have to go from the video. I show me Kumakia in order because now what somebody make a tweet to go that now no can that prison finance said. No can come and now sit back where I tell a prison come here in Nigeria. So I'm if happy go do the thing happen could the just like if I book if the issue of if what an if it happen this woman and a book once na PM make it might have been sack the money. Open all got sack here in our family that this woman is no longer in the movement, she's hereby sacked. Then obviously but as long as they can hold on, as long as she can appear on our day fog, she can and Pastor what they know.
They don't have that right. Or that's why the only right over this side.
Kai, oh, if a man Ganeku, you were nowhere, does.
People are not dead. And that's why I say,
are you hearing me?
Yes.
You will eat you see goes yummy chicken on near on our call. We are on our call. Sinaka, one and cow, Sinaka, one and cow.
Let us hear
as a cabinet member, can she know herself and know what she's supposed to say and what she don't supposed to say on earth? On air. But I can hear advice. Is it what USB is supposed to be hearing as a government? If she's hearing what I'm saying.
Yes, everyone's hearing what you're saying. Let's hear from you. We can hear you. We can hear Gandhi.
Pastor Rose be guided. All these things she's saying now is not what we need now. I am begging her. If she want to talk, let her curtail her words as a representative and as a personality and show us some maturity. We are above all this kind of talk. Madam Origin has something to bring everybody to the point.
Okay.
The point now is what we want to hear from Finland. How is PM defeating Nigeria court in Finland? It's not even about USB. It's not even. It's about Biafra. How is he defeating? How is the court case going? Not coming here to tell us about individuals, or coming here to tell us about how somebody should go. This is the narrative they want us to go. Let us not go there, please. I don't have the voice, and I'm not commanding, but I'm just advising us. We are not in this stage of. And the guy, I thought you are having a program. I don't know you have an interview with Pastor Rose. The government know what to do.
Not interview.
Then tell us how things is going. What we need to do right now.
I don't understand what you want, to be honest with you. I'm confused.
That's what I want to say. That's what I want to say. What we are doing, or what I'm saying is, when things is not getting right, we don't have to be talking about what is not reasonable at this point.
I don't think Nifo could be bad. I don't think Nifo could be bad.
Although not bad, it's not what we are supposed to be talking now. If you are conducting a private interview, then it will be a private interview. but coming to be mentioning, you'll be thinking of making peace, but you are creating disunity. But this on air, making such a statement,
Okay,
leading
Pastor Rose,
to
Pastor
something
Rose,
inside other people's
Pastor
mind,
Rose, Pastor Rose, hold on. Calm
creating
down, Pastor Rose.
something
Hold on.
into
Okay.
people's mind, and
Hold on.
some people will be, their mind will be polluted. So what we should be talking now is, Simon Ekpa said on August that this is very, very imperative that
Okay.
Biafrans need to know. We are going to Finland.
Just a moment. Can I go from Favor? Let me hear from you, my brother. Unmute your mic.
Unmute. My mic is unmuted.
Yeah, go on, my brother. Go on.
Okay. Good morning, well-meaning Biafrans from my location. And my second ụbọchị mara onye ọbụla mma, mara PM mma, mara our leader Nnamdi Kanu mma, our DPM mma. Kai report ya Amaka mere gị na family.
And yours as well.
Thank you, Madam Pastor Rose. So much appreciate hearing your voice this morning. And my sister Chineke gozie no have USB guys and the women Biafrans who join around one for the protest and in our PM. From here through our brother Kai platform, from here gina hajere there. Man, that is anime willing yakelu. On a with them now, no Europe now. I don't know again Europe. I can never stop or nonsense. And anyway, Hannah, when stop nonsense. Man, when I'm from there, when you can stop that nonsense. Nobody go email. All those rubbish Hannah got there. A question now. Ihe na-eme m na ihe those old amam of old layers ka m ga-akpọ ha na-eme eri. Ịghọtago? So mana ịgbalịrị ihe ahụ i mere that place. As a supporter, carry every other thing. My brother after Pastor Rose because in him what Pastor Rose only am not here now. Go see that they need for people now they need our support. He need our support. What I go? The only thing more through platform open or through DPM let them announce on this because 17 is already here. Open not $1 kg, open not $10, open not $1 million kg. Ito ya there ka make question on your another. Obi adrom here that is on man assume because I know as in Europe. I no again on Europe. I'm on maybe na anozigo maybe no within the I come not there. And my when here na ji onye ona buru isi owa bia gi were okre mgbawo shi join ya choose off. You what I go? Yeah. But due to her na-eme eri ya no onye no there. Mgbe m onye ọ matara na kan
when they send there.
So I'm not going to give you
send
nonsense. So the main thing Pastor Rose put here now that to help people again, and I will be happy that my people yeah, I know with them now I'm present there. I'm not present there. All this nonsense I know. Now you want to say a follow things. Now you want to lock now and digere there about one. You know even carry the flight when he came a bar pant the house no sala neighbors. You know what Nada.
There my brother.
Happy Kai na Pastor Rose put here quote this thing now. Enough. I could have even appreciate that now maybe now again I could this thing on call, then give present or some of these things, than on air. But the most important thing now,
thank you, my brother.
about contribution. About contribution for people to go. So we are good. We are good. My brother. If we are here now, but he guys through blame. That is why I'm the Oliver Kelly, you know.
What did you
No,
I'm sorry for that.
Yes, Master Greg, I'm coming to you, sir.
Kai.
One thing, yeah, Master Greg. Before you, but Master Greg, let me just say so. Just a moment. Although when you just minor mistake that the whole thing. Pastor Rose is here. She's here simply because I want first-hand information. Well, I wasn't there. So you are not that place. Oga come on there. So money you could behind the scene is different from what present. You like a cool, you know somebody from the horse's mouth, not me. Okay. Then again, if you hear, I don't think no if you hear the out of context. She's reporting what she noticed or what her experience, her encounter. Or maybe they don't like her. You don't like if her encounter. She witnessed something. She's just presenting it for you to understand. Then open it like referment. Then how can you make amendment to that? That's not really offended. Cake is not offended. Don't know what if your witness is there. That so you can make your own suggestion as simple as that. So let's not just fight about it. Master Greg, let me hear from you, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, my brother. My greetings to our sister, Pastor Rose, and our last brother, Kuroku, and I think Madam Origin, Madam Ojugo, whoever. My greetings, everybody. Okay, yeah. So my thanks to God for our brother, Maze. Simon Ekpa and Joko, our PM, and the life of our Maze Namdekano. And I greet Pastor Rose so much. Thank God for her. Before I say what I want to say, if this afternoon, number one is that I'm in a very calm mode, and number two is because of the voices from Odogo Enugu. I'm telling you before God and man, I would have show you a different color this afternoon, honestly, because this is not the way to go. You don't just jump on somebody who is giving you his or her experience and what she went through and what we're supposed to be doing. There is no single word that Pastor Rose said here that is evil and people cannot hear or people have not heard. So my brother, honestly, with all respect, don't do that again. It's not good. I'm telling you the fact. Because you are not there. And if you knew people truth, because I heard you know some people in Finland, if those people you know in Finland are real and they are real for the freedom, they will tell you the truth if they were there. What
happened? Master Greg,
so it's not something to joke. Am I not coming out?
Yeah, your line somehow break, but it's okay. We cannot hear you.
Am I not?
We can hear you. Right on. We can
okay.
Hear you. Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say is, everything that Pastor Rose said there is truth, and there is no other way she can experience our experience there, because they did everything to humiliate us, to show us that we are not important, that we are nobody, Totongazo Reweze is nobody. You people are not, we are just like rejected group in that Finland. So it takes the grace of God for somebody to control himself. It takes the grace of God for somebody to control himself. And when you watch, if it, as many as we are in that Finland, let's assume that something we didn't control ourselves. None, they wouldn't have challenged us in any way physically, but we hold ourselves. And the way you talk to to our sister Pastor Rose, I think you owe her apology, honestly. So that's what I want to say. So it's always good for somebody to understand things the way they are, and the way they are before you speak. So before you jump into somebody, you listen very well and know where that person is driving and where he's coming from. So just to support what our sister said, I'm not going to go into the details of our bad experience now. I wanted to call her this evening because when I come to our platform, I just saw that information that Biafrans need a lot of support for our PM. So it's a very good information. If somebody cannot go, let him look for a way to support, to make sure that those who are free, but maybe they don't have the means, that they will be there. That is the message I want the Biafrans to hold on this afternoon and tomorrow, or in any platform, that is good that our PM have the support he needs physically as he demands. Because it will be a plus to him that when he is saying something in the courtroom and we that are experiencing what he is experiencing now, even though he is experiencing more, but he knew and we knew where he's going and where he's coming from. If we cannot talk, at least inside that courtroom, we'll be knocking our head as a kind of, yes, what you are saying is the truth. So, but I thank God if what the United States of Biafra is trying to do, the way our sister Pastor Rose is trying to say it, they did not, what if I can understand what she said, we accommodate everybody, but any person that will come there to cause nuisance, the United States of Biafra will help the Finland government to remove that person. It's time to present ourselves as the government that is guiding what the Simon Ekpa and Joko, the PM is fighting for. Have to raise our flag and say, here, we are the people. It is time, because these people, they have been given so much time. They have been given so much chance to repent, and they are not doing it. So it is time to raise that flag and say, we are the people representing Simon Ekpa and Joko officially for the United States of Biafra. If you have your documents that will represent you as the government that Simon Ekpa and Joko is fighting, then let's present it. It's time to raise it now. That is my submission. Thank you, and God bless Biafra.
Thank you so much. Just to add one thing to what you just said, because many of us don't know that if these people have done half of fact, 1/4 of just a drop of what USB government have done, on social media, but they are making use of USB government effort. Nebuga, that the one in charge, me and that's why I want to hear from people that went there in Finland. So not because it's not although it's not personal interview or private interview like you mentioned. No, Pastor Rose is very, very popular person. People know her and people respect her and all that. We know what she wants. Sometimes I don't like the way she's pushing the speed that she's pushing because of the peace. That's my own opinion, but I cannot stop her. Sometimes I don't like, because I felt so, I felt bad when I see that people are talking after insulting people. Then, like in Finland, I saw her, Pastor Rose, talking to these people. That my own person, my own character. You understand? I don't think I will do that. But she's a pastor. I'm not a pastor, so you understand that. Let me hear from Odogo.
Okay, sorry, before I said it, it's because when we were there, let me tell you, Biafra, they would not. I didn't let Biafra, and I want to tell you something. I have this person you are talking. I entered the same flight and the same seat, but I have to beg somebody to change that seat. I told him that that place I sit, it's affected. Can he take my seat? And that place is a first class. I have to go back. But when we reached there, that day, Mazi spoke to us like a destiny. I tell you, if you didn't cry in that place, if you didn't see the emotion, if you didn't see why he made us to realize what is good, if you are there, even if you are hardened, for the sake of Mazi Simon, our Prime Minister, for the warning is always warning us. For the see what he did and what he's doing for us, you must to obey for him. I want to tell Biafra, making peace with somebody, it's not that you have any relationship with a person. We have one goal is to get Biafra, to get this thing. One goal is for our PM to come out. And he give us this authority, and we are together, and we need to speak for Biafra to know that with this, they will see that with peace and unity, at least we can be able to achieve that goal that Marty said. It's not, that's why I was able for him to be assured when he come out that what he sent me, he sent it to me, they were here, and I did it to Biafra. And the same thing he said yesterday. That's why I was able to come to Mazikai to speak to Biafra. We need one love, not for anything, unity until Mazi Simon come out.
All right, so how let me ask you, Pastor Rose, how do you feel that after that incident, after PM must have talked to everybody and all that, and you go to a hotel room only for you to check on social media where Lazuba is calling DPM that Ngozo Labeze's group were there in Finland, or the terrorists, hold on. After, how do you feel? How do you feel after that?
This man was able to say he will make peace. Do you know when I told him, you understand, he respected us. It is because of our comport, our combination. If you watch what he has been saying since he came back, you will see that his word is different. I said there is no how you will be with Mazi Simon. Look at the peace. Look at how he's fighting for our freedom, standing, speaking the Finland finishing. Where all of us, there is something he will say, all of us will say, yes, everyone in that, or every of us, whether you like me, you don't.
I don't think you answered my. I don't think you have answered my question.
You understand? You will know that place, you will see the difference.
Pastor Rose. Pastor Rose.
I beg you for now.
Pastor Rose.
Sir?
I don't know. It's kind of report. Not sir. So, like I said. Like I said, when you come back, when you go to your hotel room and you check, just scan through social media, then you find out that Lazuba is still calling DPM or Abu Fulani.
Leave that
so,
one. That's what I said. Leave that one.
So
leave that one. If it is not me in that Finland, you could have seen on that our rally, that day we are doing this thing, things could have spoiled. I was in between them and there with one guy from Finland. He was trying always to cause but I was in between. If you see, sometimes you see me walking fast. If you see what she did, but what we said, it's him today. As far as from 17, otherwise, if you do anything, just Biafra, you people will hear. But we are not going to fight it, but it's not going to be in that place. Because like I say, Finland has no more authority to say that Mazi Simon is their own. Mazi Simon is a Biafran Prime Minister. And the COS, she left everything in his hand, have now, which is the United States of Biafra, is going there fully to make sure that everything is well organized, well prepared, well arranged. Everybody must be united with discipline, and we will come back with discipline. That's all. Enough of her. She has this week she will rant, but from next week that everybody will be there You will see how it's going to go. Now is the time for USD to take over.
All right. Thank you so much. God bless you, Pastor Rose. And we really appreciate your presence. May God reward you and keep you for us. We have, I think we are done with Pastor Rose. Pastor Rose, see you later, okay?
Thank you, Biafra. And remain blessed. And please, like I said, please take the word of Maazi Simon. And I want to tell everybody that Maazi Simon, our Prime Minister, Maazi Simon Ekpa Njokuchi, is doing great and is doing the best they can. And the Finland has done their best. Thank you and God bless.
Well, thank you so much. God bless you. All right, so we have a goddess in the building. Let's hear from you. Goddess. Odowendu, are you still here with us?
I'm here.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Maybe if you can talk to us while we're waiting for goddess to, or the kind of
Masakai, did I make
let me just rush it because I'm about to go to work now, please.
Okay, Madam Origin, please, I will give you a mic, okay?
Yeah, although when we have my I greet you, sir.
I'm going to work, so I want just to thank you, Madam Origin. You're always on point, fulfilling the promise that you gave me.
Promise. You promise
And now these women, they promise me that they will set their sleep to make sure that I protect the mandate. and they did it.
I know if you can.
I'm happy when I hear them speak. If not, anytime they come on board to speak, I give them that preferential treatment, that presidential executive order for them to speak. Because if not because of them, I will not be where I am today. It may be easy to get money, you have money, but it's very difficult to protect that money you have. That's why many people fail. Yeah, I have the mandate and the receipt and I'm a witness. But without all these women that sow their sleep, is to be difficult for me to hold. I said before, and I want to say it again. I thought you have a you have a program. I came to listen to you, but now I see where it was going. Now I want to let Biafrans know.
I don't know. Are you aware that I spent almost close to 1 hour before you invited Pastor Rose? There's something I run program already, and I thought you were even watching when I sent the link.
No.
Okay, no problem. Continue.
So I want to tell Biafrans, because all of us, or some of us, we have the first-hand information and some things that matters. And one of them is what I want to reveal to Biafrans, and that's what make me to talk the way I talk. First of all, I want Biafrans to recognize and appreciate the prayers being conducted by independent media, especially this Sunday or before this case. It was that prayer that destroyed the intentions. I want to say it, the negative intentions of some people, especially Biafrans, who are hired to come to Finland. I have said it in one of our brothers' live talk. Their intention, their negative intentions, was to come and do the fighting that Drake said, or Greg, Drake. The intention, negative intention, for them to fight so that case will not even hold. But because the independent media and other Biafrans that are fanatical praying, stop that bad intentions not to happen. So what we are seeing is just a glimpse of it. And myself, I like it. You know why? We thought that they ended up in all those things like Kai, what you were verifying, what they are saying on social media, calling our DPM bad names that doesn't need to be forgiven. Ekwesike send there abok of Sendora Okrembawisi, as our brother said from homeland. So their intention is what they planned on the 29th of November 2024 to stop the declaration. And that's their evil intention, their mission coming to Finland. So anybody saying that I don't have information, I was there. I was in Finland. We don't come to talk about what we do, where we go, or how we do it. We want them to manifest all those things that they are saying on social media.
Wait, were you in Finland just this week or last week?
Kai, I cannot come here to tell you when I'm in Finland, but I'm telling you that I'm in Finland. Yeah, okay. I have been in Finland. I can still be in Finland. So I don't broadcast, I don't say everything that I do. That's why many people, anybody that's coming, you talk of what you know. We don't boast.
So what do you have to say? What do you have to say when Biafra United said that Matanga is not in Finland?
I don't have to say anything because he's a madman. How can I get advice from a madman? He doesn't know what he's saying. You don't take advice from a madman.
You are insulting Peter Bill.
Eh?
You don't take advice from a madman. Is an insult to Peter?
No, I cannot be Peter Obi. I am taken away from Peter. I can't take advice from a madman. So if you want me to talk about Biafra Unite, it's because of that he uses Biafra Disunite. You are even giving him baptismal name. There's nothing unity about Biafra. His name is Odinanwa. Let everybody be calling him Odinanwa. There's nothing like unite.
To stop crime in a place called Opiweka.
Kaido, very wicked. Please, can you allow me to talk? It is very wicked. It is very wicked. The first appearance of Simon Ekpa. Let me now explain to people. There's no protest in Finland that I will not be involved. The first one I was involved. Who scattered that first one? The first one that we planned for Simon Ekpa, the first case on May last 2025 or 2025, before September 1st. It was spoiled by this Biafra Unite and that woman living in France. But I took care of that one. Immediately she entered, I removed her and I make sure that I deleted everything about her. So Biafra Unite was the reason why everything is not going. There's nothing like Biafra Unite in him at all. In fact, I will mark him a RIP. RIP. Oh yeah, a Conk Sabo. Let me hear from me. It's me. This is my word. Take me my word. This is what I'm saying. So I'm telling Biafra, the person that spoil or that always mounted to spoil everything, even before we declared our nation, is that man, Odinanwa, called himself. He called himself. I don't recognize him as Biafra Unite. There's nothing like unity. He's disuniting. So, you're right. 2025, the first protest, or rally we call it, he was the person that spoiled it, using his users channel. This one again, I was involved. Any protest that Biafran conduct in Finland, I am there. I was there and I will always be there because I am in Finland. Let me let Biafra know about it. And immediately they bring that useless man, I will know that it's not going to work. And I speak. So what I want to tell Biafrans now is the intention or the reason why everything happened in Finland is that they come to disrupt the court so that they will fight. After fighting with the United States of Biafra cabinet or delegates, then the court will close, and the Simon Ekpa's case will not hold again. Then the police will scatter everybody, and everything will close. Then we start afresh, just like what they want to do in 2024, that we should not declare Biafra, so that everybody will go, and we start fighting again, so that they'll be bringing and putting money inside their pocket. So anybody saying that I don't know what I'm saying, you don't know the negative intention. You don't see the spirituality of what they are doing. I know it, both physical and spiritual. So let Biafran be notified and be conscious. And the reason why I am telling Pastor Rose, he should make it private. We want them to come out fully. Madam Origin told Mommy Ngozi yesterday that let us allow them to bring out their, so that when we come out with our constitution, with our law, we will hammer them very well. When we want to put them into jail, instead of a life sentence, it will be death sentence because of what they did. So all the activities they are portraying in social media, they are now bringing it out physically. That is what the United States of Biafran government needed. And they have seen it. They have seen it and gotten it, both as evidence or as a witness. They cannot deny they did not say it. If they deny they didn't say it, they cannot deny they didn't act it. So this too is a double offense that requires double punishment. But if we come now to give them way out, they will withdraw. They may not do other things, so that we not find something strong to nail them inside the Okemu, or to give them a very good sentence with our constitution and law. So please, if my voice is too hard or how I enter, you don't like, this is my reason. Draw, Simon Ekpa said, is it, Kai, can you correct me? Draw your enemy, draw your friend closer, draw your enemy more closer. Why? So that you get everything to accuse or to sentence that person. As I say, I am not going to get advice from a madman. So the reason why I said,
you can go again. I say
okay, the reason why I said this is not what we are going to be talking is this. One, on August, Kai, look for that one, August 14 or 24, from the abode of Simon Ekpa, he said, it is now imperative that I made Biafrans to know about this. He said imperative, so that everybody will know that we are going to Finland in December convention to do two things. One is to generate document that will legitimize Nigeria, and the two, to legitimize Biafra. And those documents is what is holding in his hand that I generated in Finland 2024. That's what Simon is holding. That is the law. That's what we're supposed to be talking. And with that law, with that generated document, that's why on Naba Nigeria 5-0 as of 5 hours ago. The document is giving Nigeria 5-0. And then Namdekanu said on his own that he's going to face Nigeria locally. Then after he face them internationally. Simon is facing Nigeria internationally, and Namdekanu is facing Nigeria locally. And we're not talking about some certain things. It's needed, but it's not what we are going to be saying by now. Time is coming, Biafran. Wait, all of you should calm down, cool down, take cold water, let everything happen, and let everybody take the recording. Dr. Ngozi Rebeze, in her intelligence, said, get me records, get Biafran records of what is happening or what happened in Finland. She knows what she's going to do with it. There's nothing you can do now. There's nothing we can do now. The only thing we can do now is, Biafran, register for your ID card, register for your for your marriage, do everything you are going to do, contribute. Then thirdly, we must volunteer to protect our land. In Biafra land, they want to take our ancestral land. We must volunteer and help Biafran government to protect it. That's what we should be talking. And what Simon Ekpa is doing in Finland is giving us the audacity, the temerity, the priority to do it. So all these people we are talking, like United States of Biafra have given some people suspension and they expelled them. And anybody that is expelled by Biafra is expelled or is suspended. You don't wait for Simon Ekpa to come and do that. We are contacting with Simon Ekpa every day. Every day. So you don't tell me what he said and what he don't say. I am with him.
How about us that he's not in contact with him?
Then he talked to me, he called me. I will tell you what he said.
So
thank you very much. Can you give Madam? I have only 2 minutes. Give Madam Origin. Madam Origin, God bless you. Great.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you for what you do. And I want to tell everybody, let me reveal it as an expo.
And I am here speaking to you from my base in Finland. I want to inform every one of you because it has become very imperative as we approach December convention in Finland. You must know certain things. The declaration of the restoration of independence of Biafra that is to take place on the 2nd of December is targeted at achieving 2 objectives. One is the delegitimization of Nigeria. 2 is the legitimization of Biafra. After the declaration, we are going to have a very long battle with Nigeria. But this battle, the good news is that we define how this battle will be fought. We will fight them diplomatically, we will fight them politically, we will fight them internationally, and of course, we will fight them locally. So, the 2nd of December is not after that. Some of you will come and say, oh, there is still military barracks, you are going to have them. But let me tell you, if the Vietnamese fought America for years and succeeded in making America to flee, we are ready to fight Nigeria even more than what Vietnamese did. And we dictate how this particular war will be fought. We are never going into conventional warfare with Nigeria.
Thank you very much, Kai, for bringing
this convention. What we are going to gain is that every document that we are going to generate from this convention become legal document that will be using for the political approach.
For now, I want to ask you,
for the Biafra.
Or I want you to answer me. Did that declaration happen or did it not happen? Did we generate the document? Did we generate the document or didn't we generate it?
Double with the
Then is the government using that document to fight Nigeria diplomatically, internationally, politically, and locally? Then what are we talking again? What are we talking again?
So whatever ndị na-block Biafra from getting to PM, ndị na-claim of our so
example, those people have shown their color. Somebody like they call Carolina Mbeze, after giving her suspension, she said that Simon Ekpa is going to suffer. Now she was the person that flew for Finland and be embracing Simon Ekpa, both from the back and the pressing her hand everywhere, even kissing with a two pineapple that is down now on her chest. But you said that Simon Ekpa is going to suffer. And you want to tell me you like the person? And other women, Akata women that never even support or don't even want to see someone, all of them are there. They are just there for recognition. So you don't tell me to come and talk about it. They have bring their face and we have seen them.
That's not too bad.
Kai, thank you for bringing all these things. I want you to search again. Simon said that Okpukpumbu, can you look for it? Okpukpumbu or small cancer.
Go
and get it. Dr. Ngozi Rebeze Okpukpu. That's why. Dr. Ngozi Rebeze Okpukpu ahụ na-ekwu ya. And ọ na-apịa ha ụtarị. And Simon Ekpa said, ụtarị a na-abịa ọ bụrụkwa anyị na-apịa. Ọ bụrụkwa anyị na-apịa. Onye awụrụ ya, ọ gwụọ ya nwanne ọkwa ikpebere Chukwu ka ọ nyere ya aka. That's what is happening to them. So please let them bring themselves out. I stand to be corrected. Let them bring all of them out to show who they are really, so that we have more evidence to prosecute them with the Biafran legal law and the attorneys. They are waiting. I think you are inviting our barrister on Wednesday.
And Wednesday, yes, tomorrow.
Okay. We shall ask him what are the measures. Remember that. So Biafrans, cool down. Let not be occupied with all those things that they are shown in Finland. They just want recognition. And the other woman you people always talk, she is there to know if Simon will tell her, hey, well done, you people should fall back to useless idiot. That's why she's still there. And that recognition is not going to be given to her by our PM. Very intelligent man. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
It's not bringing him down. I just asked you a simple question. People who come to me and they tell me, Chidi, stop attacking Simon Ekpa, because Simon Ekpa is the one who is actually raising money and funding ESN. That if not for the ESN that Simon Ekpa sent to Ozala, they will not be coming Ozala. If not for the ESN that Simon sent to Okigwe, there will not be peace in Okigwe. If not for the funding of ESN that was done and ESN that Simon and Autopilot was funding, they went to a Hamufu, that there will not be peace. Are they correct or are they not correct?
Now, they are correct. Let me tell you the truth, they are correct. But I'm telling you...
You are disappointed.
Madam Orji, let's hear from you. Thank you so much.
Okay, Masikai, Yama Meregindewo, Biafra, I greet everybody. Odogwenugu, thank you so much. Thank you for your fiery nature. Everybody get their own. Thank you for holding the mandate tight. Thank you for holding the receipt. Thank you for being a witness. Dr. Rose, Pastor Rose, thank you so much. The passion, the whole thing that happened in Finland was not supposed to happen, but I still insist that that was Nigeria element. Those are those that were sent by Nigeria element. And when we make it clear, let me go down the road and greet all my people before I go to what I want to submit. Oga Greg, thank you so much. Thank you for being there at Finland. Divine Precious, you're here today. Where is Madam River Goddess? I thought she was here. Oluchiwa God,
What do you want
this,
about? What do you want
this
about
is
our
a team.
phone?
The contingent in Diego. I salute everybody. I know that wherever Triple M and Co are, they are warming up. Madam Ojuk, I saw you write up earlier. Thank you so much. Ndewo. Mazekai Ihoma Merege, thank you for your beautiful platform. Thank you. So yeah, what is important now is about our Prime Minister facing the courts and trying to defend himself and proving that all we are doing is what I keep telling this brother, take your child off the screen. Can you take your child out of the screen?
Yeah. Unlike
I know, it's very good. It's not, it's very good, but sometimes
I understand.
yes, there is something about
I can have my own off the camera.
of the camera, because that's a child, okay? When he grows up and he wants to come out on internet, he can do that.
Yeah, that would be better.
So please, I'm very protective of children. So like we are saying, the whole contingent that went to Finland for United States of Biafra, there were about 8 to 10 of us. I say of us because they represented us, and they represented us very well. But the Nigeria elements that were sent to cause chaos.
Madam Origin, can you give me 1 minute, because I forgot to pass the message. Please don't be angry.
So
as and wife, please, I'm coming, because Odogo may disappear very, very soon. As and wife is sending message to Odogo. God bless you, Mazo Odogo. You are absolutely correct. Then thank you so much, as and wife. Then again, he said, Mazo Odogo, okay, the begging, nam, no shaking. Okay, the begging, nam, no shaking. So Odogo, as a wife is saying hi to you. Thank you so much, as and wife. God bless you for your super chat. We really appreciate that. Madam Origin.
Thank you. So like I was saying, the whole team from United States of Biafra, that when they represented us well, if you look at them, you see they are all responsible individuals. And our Prime Minister have requested yet again. I saw that at Deputy Prime Minister's handle. She said our Prime Minister is requesting. So it is a plea to everyone, as many as can be there, because this is our final battle in Finland. We are not going back to Finland to redeclare Biafra or to make our cases known. And I like what Pastor Rose said. When we came out, when Biafrans came out with the T-shirts, with the marching, people were now tweeting it, retweeting it, sending out messages. That is how, and that is also letting the people of Finland that Prime Minister Simon Ekpa have served, for them to know that this is what is going. Many of them may not know. Some of them may be like, where is that young man? We used to see him, not knowing that Ndi Shuku Ngononeti na dungeon. So that may even, if they will keep asking questions. Was he released? What went on? It is a very, you see that 17th, please. We are going to, by God's grace, everybody that needs to do what they got to do, be there. And another thing I want to say that I was suggesting to Pastor Rose and to, because she was part of organizing I know that the organizing of the thing is a little sketchy because the disruptors presented themselves, and the disruptors began to make it look like they are the head or HOD of the whole
The Alpha and
organization.
Omega of the whole thing.
Yes, and now, and their whole aim is to create that chaos and insult people. But one thing that Pastor Rhodes said, which I'm here to reiterate, is that our notification to Finland is already on their desk, that we are a government, United States of Biafra. So under that capacity, I plead, if our DPM is listening, to send an official note to Finland government that if it is possible to give us one, because we realize that it looked like there are some Nigeria elements, they sent disruptors, and to make everything work out well, let there be maybe extra 1 or 2 security, or we can pay for security there to make sure our people are safe as a government. So that being said, Mazi Kai, this is early. I just wanted to hint of that. Thank you so much. Let me let others speak.
All right, Madam Origin. Thank you so much.
Kai Biko, let me give Biafrans assurance again. I have sent my delegates. I have sent my let me say, my contact. Anybody that is going to Finland, go and be free. There's nobody that will ever touch you. All those things that happen, we have taken care of that. So I'm giving Biafrans assurance, if you can still go and have no fear. Our men are there on the watch, and everything will be taken care of. As I said again, those people in Finland, organizers, my fellow organizers, they are not bad. They are getting their maybe, let me say, control or some of the things they do from this Biafra Disunite that was sent, is an agent from Nigeria on what to do. But our men, our people in Finland, Biafrans in Finland, they are very, very good. And they plan to accommodate everybody from the initial plan of the rally or protest and the court case. So I'm assuring anyone, go now, everything will be taken care of. Thank you very much.
As of yesterday, I was told as of yesterday.
Please, Mazikai Odegonugu, thank you so much for your effort. In as much, on my own, I'm saying to my own opinion, in as much as we appreciate your effort, your contact, I will stand that the United States of Biafra government have their own stand and plan it that the way that the presence of the United States of Biafra government will be recognized. So we cannot trust, because those people we are talking about that are good, they know that Biafra has been declared for the past 2 years. So they know what they're doing. That is my own suggestion.
All right, noted. I believe they are listening. And again, Odegonugu, I was told that yesterday, as of yesterday, Lazuba was saying something to the hearing of some USB government that are there, USB representative, that Nandoja and Anachana, and something like that. So that kind of side talk, in that case, what do you think your men should do? Or your contact should do?
Yes, yes, I have told them to take the record, and is that a proof of everything that she's saying on in the internet or in the internet. She came to prove
this
it.
one, she was saying this one live there in Finland in the court premises.
Yes, I know. It's on record. Everything is recorded, and we have the clips. She cannot deny it. And let me tell you again, her grievance is that the recognition she won from Simon, she have not received that. She have not received that. That's why she's still there. And
She's
people
truly
are
a mad
sending her
woman.
money.
So she's expecting PM to recognize her for what?
Exactly. Thank you very much. As you show Google. What's the name of issue Google in English?
Madam step into the mic.
Mantis.
Praying mantis.
Praying mantis. That's a recognition. And
is that what you praying mantis is? Are you sure?
Yes, it's praying mantis. Yes. Oh, Google. Show Google.
Google. Yes. It's true. It's true. Google. You're right.
So don't worry about that. Everything is on record. And if we try now to stop her, she will not bring that evil part. That woman is very evil from bed. So let her bring out that color. That Ekpa, she's screaming. She doesn't know. That Ajana, all those users' names that she's screaming, fighting the gods, thinking that she's making statement. Let us give her that land to make her more full.
Very interesting. All right. Let's hear from Divine Precious. I don't come surprised. No kind of look at that. On a so getting Divine Precious. Let's hear from you. No.
My brother, thank you very much.
You're welcome. I got today. Network again. I try on a break badly. On a break.
Kai, please greet Ezewife for me. Tell him not to be firing me with a missile, please, or chat.
Okay, I'm aware. Divine Precious, Vicky, you will voice again a break. God, look, I'm good also.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. That's why I'm just trying to get away from my baby. I got disturbed, but I'm busy. The other man waiting service, chacha. So let me just pray now. Thank you so much, my brother. Because last time the same network to the public so that everybody will learn at once for that. Because before I quote the about our PM court hearing. Last time network onwe isi wee kwute maka ka anyị nenye anya no this maybe Russia would do better n'ime ihe a niile a na-enenye anya. So big that thing but mana network ekwere m okwu that day ọ chụpụ m. So that maka that one ịma ihe anyị nọ kịta anụwa bụ the more you look, the less you see. Okay, for global conspiracy, not only him, even our PM, in fact, our leaders about it. Kita kahanchani nepotalo it's not even about someone who loves you. The attack is everywhere to stop whomever. That that what money cannot do, more money will do it. Oh yeah, Nigeria no ni meketa. Anya ha no oran. Mana imanya na enye ihe na ana ha ni yikita bụ truth. So based on that side, ebe mo nwa kwubo na ihe ga-eme na nke Ekpa bụ that miracle. Ana agwa gị last miracle may go on the day and declare. The next one na make it bụ ụtali mmụọ na-eje to the whole world. Both the world leaders and anybody involved in what is happening in this world today. You don't know why man them they are collecting it back to back. I'm not your own country and I forgot that because I'm not even can no one everywhere they are crying and not because of us. Since they refuse to allow these peaceful people to be free, they want to destroy peace. Yes, they are talking about peace. The whole world will never know peace until they allow peace to live, and that peace is us. So because of that one, I'm not looking at any and when this thing in my mind, but that God, when the mighty refuse to show it mighty, what is nothing God will use nothing to show the mighty. When we power unnaturally to do whatever, and don't happen today. We never know how it is happening. Even our DPM now prophesy that the kind of help we are getting from everywhere, even anonymous, is overwhelming. And I am happy in it. Because of that, we are not hoping on anybody. Because sometimes when you hit to road can disappoint you. Because let God use himself to do so that at the end of everything, it will be a shock to the world, and already is shocking them. Then coming to our PM's own, I have to go in and I better have no give, but I'm just trying to explain on the little I can view from what has happened. One day, onye gwa gị na Chukwu anọrọ n'ọrụ n'ihe ma na onye ha anaghị aghọtachi ihe na-eme ọfụma. And the correction of some misunderstanding based on either like somebody like a post, so I don't want to call name, post somebody post na ihe niile a na-eme based on what concerns Bridgie, that nobody should talk anything out of it, because that's why Bridgie is should be in charge of whatever that is happening in Finland. Somebody just said something. Like anyway, when the game again there also wicked in positive. But no problem.
If catch you, Tanama where Tawam.
I didn't know I don't know. I don't know if you talk and they twist. I call you both work. I call was there. I found. One thing with me is that I'm not afraid of what, even though that I try to not to call it. I'm no one in so that kind of thing. Also, some the ignorant of this movement got confused, because even in Otalanke, our leader Mazina the kind of this is just a reputation. That's why our PM very easy to defeat it, because I get injustice. With any way, these people will win us, because every evidence is there to prove them wrong. So Bridge in charge. Yes, now our leader, IPOB is in charge. Man, all of us are the same thing. We are IPOB, we are Bridge, and now we are US. I don't know all Kadafia. Obuna obele nwa na-eto amụrụ nwa na-eto ọnọcha na mgbe ọ ka na-amụ ije ọ gaghị ị ga-asị because na oge ịmara ya bụ oge ọ nọ na ọ ga na agba ibe na ọ bụghị ya nwa bụzu adult. All stages of life, the stage I know now in the state of government, maka ndị na-ada ọta, because mgbe onye ji nnu ma ghọta ka o ji agba n'aka ihe ọ ga-akọrọ ya, ọ bụrụ na a na-aba aka ya before maybe ka isi ghọta ya kịta ga-eme gị inwe that conviction that anything in out of the government you are against our PM and our leader unknowingly. Yesterday that we go to put there that I just but now how are they in charge? Anything how don't take it from anywhere. Or any only they confused. Be here Ghana. As in to say, no how are they? How if no how are they lead? Just no how ni open how go they just
it's all in charge last year now 2025.
That is it. Isn't the failure? Actually make the same thing.
All in charge until I pay PM 6 years. All in charge.
So my brother, why we are bringing this into the public, but can they confused? Because on our this ignorant be name our people because in Ekita Titoluna even Agnes, even though Agnes apota hode na of mamana or just this out of any government name, and when you will not be coming out to defend that mandate defend before when you are like or in something and they make that thing movement that means that it is against it. Even though you put a joke about it, but indirectly you are against it. That is just how nature. That is the right way to explain it. Because if you are not again pushing that or protecting that mandate, bringing it to the public, indirectly you are against it. So my people, if not for you in this movement, among government, if not for government in this movement, so upon that your support is no longer flourishing as it used to be before, then you are our PMs now for the Ghana na cabal mana hamaro. Many of them na in na confusion. Hand on a bridge and they make during that game they have peace, unite, okay, all this is a confusion. And Nananke Bazwa, I'm happy with what government is doing because of the Ghana our DPM. No, that has support Ekpa on Finland. All these things are confusion because our PM I got on where and our leader all these people they need to be protected. And here come up with this notification and send. Somebody be on my comment now here on Facebook and a comment this shine na Masanga be liar. Post no about 30-something thousand views. Just few days after post comment and one can in public that he's a liar. No, not on a Finland. Finland. You will not ask yourself this. Okay, even if you did not see him, but you can see what he's pushing out in his platform. Where is his platform to show what he's doing, how he is bombarded? Because he knows the generation of media world. If you are not there, you are not. You doesn't exist. Where is that their lawyer? Where is his platform and how is he tagging the whole world or even saying something? If not, he did not tag. He's saying something that people will share to tag others to see what is going on. They are nowhere to be found. Do something, you are against it. Or abandon and make something number. Only name they will not support. They only I'm very sure organ on her own contribution or Imam Madabuha and the no hangwa chiki. You did not see them on, but I get praise for her because now on they have belief in. They can never talk about that one. It has a KD or a best menugo. This is how did you declare menugo. Money menugo can't go down. Only police in our fear. Only that on go on about so praise God on what they are doing. But these people will be telling you no what they have for hand. So in nutshell, my people, just this few confusion. The careless nege and also before chefu my instinct and agwam no nya made this Olewune and Agnes bụ ịma na enwe ndị nwelu ndị nọ na gọọmenti na Finland which ndị fallback anụwa bụ part of ndị na confuse onwe ha before just like ihe na-eme na zoo. In fact ihe na-eme na nke Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is repeating itself in nke this our PM. No, with government inside Finland, any information this secret and leak to themselves first before even our government again. That doesn't mean na anya to ni hanem. Mbaka if ihe ni na kwa kita lawyer ha nọrọ eba ozu matanga with ndị nke government no with government be here ana no no mo ndị anakọ no ha nwa in charge. Where is their own? So for funding they were confused. Ihe open also and our DPM na na-ekwu all the time. Ihe open also kwa agable in the government in any part of the world. Also kwanya bulu Israel, also kwanya bulu America, also kwanya bulu wherever, also kwanya bulu Russia, also kwanya bulu any part of the world. If they are in support of this government, you are wasting your time. Even if it is for our own good, thank you for helping us because whatever you do in order to push this movement, either to bring our leader Martin Nandekano out or our PM out. Thank you very much for having that power in your country, for having that to do that. We appreciate. Let them then come out first and know where they will stand. because ndị ya anọfụ maka na ha nọ n'akụkụ gọọmenti agwachaghị ma nweche info or something na-epush out to individual nọ out ha dị carried away in half the mantle iji na-ene onye na-agwa they are not Biafrans, they are just helping. And after all, power belongs to the people. That's why you got to outside. The praise and our government. In na media everywhere, my Facebook, my Twitter, everywhere, all USB, they lead. The reason, Bona, I am not in here, people are still living in the past of the time. No, if you name protest, all that your protest is just a kind of awareness. What matters is government that is putting it on their table, like Masanga is doing, connecting the whole world. Opuro that protest in a Bulgari flag. The IPOB, you cannot do it better than them. You cannot do it half of what IPOB have done. Did he give us what we want? No. Now, what is giving us what we want is what Alexander Stubb that he wants it to. He did not say that we are not doing it right. That what he is saying is that we should go legally, and that is how we are going now. Victory at last. What my message to Finland is that they should free our PM. If they fail to do so, it's not a threat, but just to preserve their remaining dignity. If not, it's not a threat, but I am happy the way nature is doing it, because this fight for since we redeclared, we are seeing a lot of things that government did not even push. People will push it and it will end up blessing the government. That is how God will do this one, because our DPM will continue to say that they seek we have gotten. So yeah, they are holding it is useless, just like the way they hold our leader Martin Nankan was useless when our PM was there. He was telling it to the world that holding Martin Nankan is just a waste of it, because we have what he would have done, we are doing it now. And to their greatest surprise, they never knew that if they hold our PM, that we will still move on. And as God may have it, when we redeclared, oh my God, the speed, and above also, when during the time of our leader Martin Nankan shake the whole world. Apatan get our PM about also. Ha say, hey, our PM not get end. One make it we are just waiting for it. Might take time. PM it might not end one day, it might not end a week, it might not end a year, it might not end 10 to 20, but we will continue. We will never give up. Our children, generation to come, we never suffer again. It doesn't matter when it will end. What matters is that we are not giving up. Oh, less man, I doesn't. To all of us, especially the individual medias, that God will continue to strengthen us. A barrier or confusion that you take it away from us, so that nothing will make us to deviate. Because only few that for at last on a with them man let it be a kind of or then with that mind to say I'm sorry and stay still. Or that for or not neutral or mankuzo. I don't know why. That's why you must be very, 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 very careful, because by PM, our PM, don't allow devil to enter your my honey. Any little mistake, email, you baby, everything you may go. Because only you white, it is very, very plain. People are not monogam. But then when a little thing to that white, they will be like, when they are watching you, the smile will not be full, because where their eyes will be is on that spot. That's why you must be whiter than snow in all round. Many mistake. Be ready to say I'm sorry and move on. Can't you ever sorry, because I get more 1 hour. God bless you. Thank you very much, Mazikai. God bless you so much.
They were divine precious. I greet you. My regards to your family, your children anyway. Thank you so much. God bless you. We have somebody here. Triple M, I don't know why you cannot. I can't see you here in the backstage, even though I dropped someone to the backstage as well, but I cannot see you. The Oluju, the house is somehow.
You can take me to backstage, Mr. Kai.
Even if I take it to backstage, it will still show that that the house is. I don't know why it's not. What I'm saying here, someone is trying to to enter, but the studio is full. So let's continue. Favor, I will drop you. I will take you out. So if you want to join us later, maybe any part you can join us because I've made your submission. Are we good?
As well. I force them leave here. I make on my phone. Wait, I force them leave.
Okay. I will.
Okay, brother. Ụmụnne m jisi ike ka report biko si ka anyị nweta link anyị eji support ndị na-eje nọ, you know.
Okay. Even menu ndị na-aga ụtọ ebe na-aga. Is number Pastor Rose?
Media ka m si anụ onye ọbụla ihe m na-eji etinye my face here steady abụrụ nwere anything na-atọ ọjọọ adị nwere mmadụ nkịtị na-atọ ọjọọ, you know.
Iji number Pastor Rose?
Yeah.
Biko ka m kwuo okwu otego nọ here na-eche unu.
Yeah, I know. My sister, even Oluchu God have been here for a very long time. So I am sorry about that. During the Ghana, please message me, Favor. Message me.
Okay, one now. None of them. Yeah.
Okay. I think good morning, everybody. I'm at work, so I'm just gonna make it very fast. Okay. We have a government, it's true, and we don't have any option than to follow our government. And we know that government cannot be everywhere, and that's why citizens have to step up the game. It's like what we're suffering in Nigeria. Citizens don't make a move. The position decide whether good or bad. No, our leaders are there to serve us. We, the citizens, have to know where do we come in for our government to be proud of us. Okay, like this visit, I'm happy that DPM put that on S about that 17th. It's short notice, but can still make it, but if there is a group of people that really organize this, that's where the cabinet members or maybe the assistant comes in, something like this, to put things together. Because there are a lot of people that would like to go, like me. I work for state. I can be out, take a permission for a week, 2 weeks, and have with my annual leave. But if you don't have that finances, like me, I don't have that finances. I tried to check the flight ticket. It was around 1,000 something. And then you talk about the hotel. But it's something that is organized very well. We might even get a discount for hotel. We might get somebody, somebody that lives there in Finland that we can stay to save that hotel money, and then you can feed yourself. Somebody's house doesn't mean the person will feed you. Like if anything is happening in Texas here, people are welcome to come to my house to stay, to be able to achieve that. These are things that, we need to open up for, we need to plan for, to make this fact. And that's why all these nuisance are taking the upper hand, because of these loopholes. And they don't expect one person to do it all. It cannot. This nuisance, okay, look at somebody like Lazuba. It's in Finland for how many days? This is somebody somewhere gave 1,005 euro. And then within 24 or 32 hours was given another 1,000 euro. I will we will see what is going on here. So, and she is not from Okwoniku after the court or after the thing, it's not showing that there is any sign, the purpose of which took her there. We need to start reading the handwriting on the wall. You can imagine somebody who bitterly, listen to that again, bitterly say, I will never forgive you. Biafra you will suffer. And now you are touching this man front and back and back and front. It's because of a lot of loopholes. If we have our members in Finland, can they please organize things? If we have anything government is doing in Texas, USA here, my house is open. That's the way I live my life. To make things easy for people. Please, if somebody is organizing these things, the earlier the better. I have the time. I can take a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks because it's outside the country. I'm allowed to take up to 3 weeks. You know, but when you look at your pocket and you see that, I mean, you calculate all this and it's not telling you the truth, you know, because I get to a bank. But is our mind and heart there? Yes. Yes. So when the name a plan in here, we people should do it well. And where are we doing it? Is there a platform? Is there something to help? There's a way we will do it. The DPM and the cabinet will be so excited. They know that the citizens will get it. People over there medicine, you know. Citizens cannot deal with the politicians there to get their right, to demand what belongs to them. In the government, we need to wake up. That's what brought me here, because those people there now, they've taken the grant and then they think that they are the highest. Now, and let me let everybody know that they are there for 1 month is not a guarantee for them to run this government now. So this is on a personal level. So even if PM come out today, this can be his best friend, but that doesn't mean that they will have a position in the government. So Kahana Abofa, because they've committed all the crime now, they're looking for somebody that will look at their faces. You know, whatever not cause solution. So please, let's do something. I just want to come in and make this known from my heart of heart. This is what it is. If I have it, trust me, I'll be there. And I take no shit from anybody. And that's part of the reason why I try not to be in certain group like that, because it's easy for me to slap somebody. And then I try to avoid it. You know, so thank you so much. Everybody that I've talked, the earlier the better. Let's wake up. Let's find solutions to this. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Madam Ojugo. God bless you for your submission. And I believe you have seen the message from Professor Ume. So I believe you have seen
No, I did not. I did not. Oh.
Okay, I will get back to you after the program.
Okay, please do. And then I was trying to say, if my brother Greg, I know he has visited, you know, I don't have his contact to get information on, like, we don't know Finland, like, where did you stay? How did you get, which hotel is close to the appeal court? You know, all these things, we don't know. I have never been to any other European country. I've not been to European countries. I don't know how that works. So if there's somebody that wants to go, that we can go together, or we can plan together, this is help. I don't want to go there, go get lost, or maybe overspend, do unnecessary expenses for things that, you know, I don't have.
Don't worry about oh, you are very funny. They don't get lost. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you so
because I
Thank you
heard
so
that
much.
European country, they have small road and small houses. I don't know how that place looks like, you
Don't
know.
worry, Ada someone is there for you. Pastor Rose is there for you, and with the other many
Okay.
other people. So,
Okay, so please
okay,
let them we'll get in contact so I can know, put in, if I have to put in for permission, I'll put in for permission as quickly as possible.
there we. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Our own brother, Oluchiwa God, I greet you, sir. Let's hear from you. Sorry for keeping you for a very long time.
Maazị,
Very
na
sorry,
well
sir.
done though.
I know, the other in a
Akwa
food.
echiri m beans na vegetable ebe ọ na-ekpe m bata na nsị ka m na-erigodi ya until ya eruo my turn.
Okay, you can do imeche ka iche daba
Ana
ka
m adị very brief ka ihe m ji bata here ahụ na I greet everyone. Ịma na sometimes enweghị m ama m ọwụ ana m ekwu m ọwụ iwe mbetụ iwe na-ewe ahụhụ iwe nga my doctor nna very good ịnọkwa n'obodo this and that iwe m anaghị awụ iwe na-enye m high BP ma ọwụ iwe m nri ana m ehi ụra ka baby no matter enweghị m nne na nna enweghị m nwaanyị ma n'ito ọnwụ but my consolation wụ ụmụaka m but ihe njachi ikwu okwu a here today is akwa hụrụ number one wo ahụrụ m briefly ebe Odogwu Enugu na-ekwu ihe gbasara this Biafra of this unite or somebody, this guy. That guy enweghị any single knowledge of what is going on. All mmadụ na-enye information.
Yeah.
And I got Finland myself. I saw it. Who can only the information?
I find.
And only information we find. And I got to Batobi every 2 weeks. Because only volunteer only Batobi. This guy is a businessman. Look, on a good time when people do good, I know deceive because then you put this thing that initial time Batobi don't know was that was the period these people would penetrate Finland. They get hold of these guys. Even Dr. that he will not hand over. These people not declare Biafra. But ask yourself what happened. They constituted themselves because they were trying to meeting, family meeting, village meeting, community meeting, state, meetings. But now when they do part of meeting, Mazin, give one hour in the name where we see, and when they problem troublemakers na meeting now. How about kind of one of our board up to news on our meeting? Or beg late to go, or back or put €2, more late. But up with us, only 9 minutes late, about police. Back or wrongly, police, we are master police. Obviously, at the end of the meeting, at the end, they end up in a prison. Now, does it make sense?
You believe it?
One of, call everybody a brother, sister. This thing but this thing bro and an PM up and down. This is the same person to pry here in Ireland. After I put on warfare, my laptop I go. I'm saying this so that Hannah he threw us out of because now I drew me to say I've got me a PM na prison because PM drew Makatina. PM Tina, look at what she did. That lot of Finland, that's in a hammer you meeting. Call that brief, right? But this briefing, no, individual, but all the briefing, because they put that he had not was in here when goes in. Head to them, our goes Hana, but without no respect, no whole COS hang on, I want Anna bribe. Bribe Hakadine COS, okay, PM, only would billionaire. But because they won't start opportunity, because I'm a guy win here bongo. This assistant to all of us. PM there said, this is what this lady did. He threw all of us. Platform might be those might be the autopilot here. Also, might be that now motoshi by there. At the end, the answer is because now I have was quite sabo. It's amazing. I was the sabo. All the same person may have joined in my mother. Otam na well can shag my obatobia. Go on a catastrophe now. In born and married in Finland. Again, we have Dogwe Nugu him as sometimes, and I am Dogwe Nugu my own personal person. Also now we had the government. This look, I'm from what area on original. That was a very knowledgeable person, a very grande person. I love him as a person. But when we also in the man the Gamaya Mexico, then I'm not this guy who a pillar on a USB. And recently, like I was reading your tweet, yes, this morning, all of them in a highlight whatever Dr. Rebels have put in place there. Now, United States of Biafra, USB, already is making Dr. Rebels have ordered the whole missions all over the world to make available one person heading to Finland. I told him, here onye chọrọ ịga ahaji onwere onye ọ ga-agbakọrọ anyị flight mụ ga-agakwa again. But why I'm saying this is ndị nọ na Finland mask. I want to say it to everybody here today. Out of 100, only 5% is supporting USB government. I am being honest with you. I was there. I had interactions. All those guys not there. They are all working with Imam. If you recall, that was a program na Kekelena. This brother jumped out. All of us are the same thing. It is people in Finland, they organize this project. It's not about how I'm organized by themselves. The same thing I said. But the thing is, they decided to extend hands to dinner abroad. I want Pastor Rose to be involved in the organization of this project. I don't know, but what I'm saying this is other aware of it. Then, of course, he do tag if it is aware with this project, because already I am this now. Nobody must go down. Yeah, one not. Biafra United said it. That everything, all of you had it. That nobody. The same Biafra United of na phone na my presence. Immunology gauge him. Comes your battle beer. Oh, when battle Biafra ne Biafra United. Look, it's okay, Rugo when our people. Because there is no other thing apart from United States of Biafra. And I hope to high esteem. Look, Odugwenugu, that I envy him because when able and this so attest their signature na every declaration. And whenever na carve ha carve, only can one rock water. So generations will see them. Now India won't diminish with this nation. Oh, a very, very, very big honor. But I want to say this, that those guys in Finland, one or look, Onye Chiriga Finland does not need all this garbage because I was there. Odogwenugu acted, make it, because like I said to you before, internet. Those guys are not good, I'm telling you. I am the bitterness over Dr. Abez. If you not here, Not one of our brother. This anger. How? What is this anger about, Dr. President? Oh, this is our brother, a very young boy. They made this woman address as Ngozi. No respect. All what he get shame about to be address as Simon. No respect. Yeah, when na call here and na call here. Why have an deal with the wrong information from one Batobi? I ask again, why? Why? Abraham and Batobi gap. Why? Now Batobi so no bla. Ure. How would this ure why your merenda leverage in Finland today? Because the US will always adhere to instruction from one Batobi. The rest don't. It's still asking why. Thank God for independent media. And I weapon no one. These people investigate free open here mess up our USB because this USB is no go area. Whether they lie, but the thing the information how we take a period to this incidents from Simon, none of them is truth. I want one of our sister jurors here, ma'am, divine favor. What is this lawyers asking I gave an president? Oh, I want brass in office. Oh, look at brass. Oh, hey, no, dogu lawyer. International. Where keep on? Those guys in Finland should repent. All my message to them, they should repent. Because if they don't, how Gamana Biafra when a constitution on Amazon, here would €100 gas or ya going. They should go and read it. Mra forgiveness for sabotage. That is my message to everyone. We Mazakai. Pastor Rose is somebody I hold to very, very high esteem. I love her. I love the way she does her things. But let she not hold brief for anybody. I didn't know enough. Even they said something about her, I never said anywhere. And I don't want to say because I just didn't hold on because I knew who she was. They lie, don't we have to feel like this and that before you know a weapon information Dr. Arabes tweet. I was just looking at them. Pastor Rose, 1 million, 20 million miles ahead of these guys. I don't want to insult them, but the thing is, they need repentance. Hey need you repent. Obato Obie is not coming out for breeding. No. They should go and write it anywhere. How got there today? They should go and write it down. I only keep that to do reconciliation, which is obligated to our Uganda Gako. Ota onye ma na-akọ iri nke na Anambra State ya Uganda ọga ma wa bata obi no Hamadi ihe ahụ na-akpọ ụga ndị ụga. So all we have here to contribute. Those guys none of Finland is a piece of garbage. I am telling you. They are men, we are men. Onye wo maka. Ha no na that Finland. One of them gwara na that Finland na NASA and police gabia brave na police but had that ndị neighbor declaration they will not go back. The guys in the house which before happened and declare Biafra. Yeah, when you are ndị na-agba Dr. Abeze mgba. Maazị Kaye ihe odogwu Enugu na-ekwu ị ga-ahụ na odogwu Enugu nwere anger. O nwere anger for this stupidity of people. You know. You back in here 3 men at Finland, Mass, you won't believe it. Look, I got him there, but 1 note ago, or we have you could have any ago. Some of them hide before hypothetical declare go Biafra because the police behind everybody know that would be arrested. Here we hear somebody got ahead of 2 weeks ahead of time. Now one born I see here and they making a Finland at the end. Yeah, guys, they have your chance here. But as the na ihe na court today for us, one na-egba go okwu here no were documents nye mmadụ a revoke all deportation nke mere m n'anya. Ekwuge ekpe m dị Australia, ekwuge m dịka Japan, ekwuge m dị South Korea ka mmadụ ga-abịa na-akọ brigade at this level. Master, I wish them all the best. Thank you.
God bless you. God bless you, sir. Thank you so much. Bishop, mute your mic. Let us make it snappy. Bishop Ganero. Okay, let's move to Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan.
Simba, Simba, Omo Biafra, Simba, Ajomo Gemeliu Naya, Simba, Simba, Omo Biafra, Simba, Iquinso Gemeliu Naya, Simba, Simba, Omo Biafra, Simba. Ajomo Gemeliu Naya, Simba, Simba, Omo Biafra, Simba. I greet. Okay, I'm
telling you.
Mr. Kai, I greet you and your family. As you go, greet you,
Welcome, my
Mr.
brother.
Greg. Ogaye Oluchiwa God, I greet you and your beans and vegetable. And Madam Origin, Yome Mego Life.
Yes,
From the
so
days of Adam.
our PM is coming out. Mahachoya, Merego
Exactly.
B1.
Exactly. Who else? I thought I'm fan here, but standing on the existing protocols, and finally, my honorable ocean master, wherever he is, OZOM, you can never be left out. And finally, the last but not the least, my river goddess. I appreciate you. You too. I appreciate you wherever that you are. God bless you and your family. Emma, what you guys should understand is that the second half is about to start. You know? And everybody should just tighten up your boot, wear your shin guards, and get ready because it's about to happen. Now, why I say this thing is concerning what happened between Pastor Rose and all these people, what you people should understand is that now PM already know what is going on. PM knows their character even before buying me. He knows. He knows that these guys like eye service. And that thing that happened in Finland speaks a lot of volume. Okay, for that gra of them not wanting people to hug PM as if na enwelonde ya koibie ogwu. All those kind of a thing because onye ma ogwu ka ogwu na ato. Na ihe ọjọọ iburu ihe ọjọọ n'obi ma na ị na-eme ihe ọjọọ. So when you see them doing as if they want to show PM that now yes we are the ones that you're supposed to talk to, forgetting that now PM should be prime minister for all. Why are you actually not letting your fellow brothers and sisters to talk to their PM? So why I say that thing speaks a lot of volume is because if you listen to Dr. Ngozi Orebeze's speech the other time, he said this has been their pattern from the beginning. The pattern of not letting you get close to PM so that you will see them as the only people that brings information to you that PM said, PM did not say. But you know where the funny part of it, or the most important special part of it for me is that now, most of us here are not blind. We can see. Them, they are blind. They are waiting for somebody to lead them. We are waiting for Simon Ekpa to lead us. We are already in front. Obona PM Pota Echi decide there to rubbish all of these things that he has prepared. If PM decided to come and call everything that we went to Finland to do as rubbish, if PM Potechi decide there to do otherwise, we will tell Prime Minister Simon Joko Ekpa that he is not Biafra. People should listen and understand. Biafra is not for one person. Oh, Chukunna ghọta gị ịrụọ nke gị ịrụcha nke gị ọbụ na ozuo ibido ha ịma ụkwa ewepụ gị n'akụkụ tinye onye Chukunna doro ka otu aka ọ dị. But some of them don't understand na oge ọrụ nke ha alugo ga. So why I said that we can see now is because anyị ma ebe anyị nọ now. Ihe niile gọọmenti USB na-emekịta doro onye ọbụla anya. You don't need to come and convince me whether man emetia, mad emetia. What we need is recognition. We have really declared. And you go that we are a nation. All we need is going on about carcass and giddy boys, or forces are there morphia. Or by name, a little bit problem. But people are coming close together and it will be achieved. So when you see all of them that have made a lot of mistake in the past or trying to mess up or to make us look down because on our declaration, they are there standing in front of PM trying to show PM that yeah, we have been here for you. How come all of a sudden they are advocating so highly for PM to be safe and finish and come out? How come? But Adade Rama was dancing when he was sentenced. How come all of them are so serious, and they love PM too much? But at the end of the day, after the declaration, they followed Ogenkere. And Ogenkere, where is Ogenkere today? Have you seen Sonia Barawa and Ogenkere talking anything about this thing? It shows you that in their mind, they don't actually want PM to come out from the beginning. They had already PM, that's why Ogenkere made Prime Minister. And when you look at the so-called Prime Minister and Barawa, all of these people that are showing so much interest on PM were all under the same people from the beginning. They were under him. And all of a sudden, they are so serious to show you how important. Remember when Prime Minister said that they are all doing eye servicing? What do you think they were doing there in Finland? Is it not eye servicing? And trying to champion protest, is it not eye servicing? They want to show yourself every day. We are enjoying the update because now one camera the camera the day I use. But you know, we just have to that now. It's better for you to know where you are going to. For me, I know the importance of the declaration. I know the importance that we have USB today. And I defined this struggle for myself. All of these things, if they are doing all this shenanigans, or they are coming back because now as when they get back this month. Some people will apologize. Second half, I'm talking about second half. People don't understand. Yeah, recently. Yeah, very soon. Because of again, ignorance. They don't know. They don't even want to know. They don't care. They are too blind to actually lead themselves. They are too blind to actually define what they want for themselves. So when they see you standing strong on what you believe in, they get scared. What do? They say attack is the best form of defense. They start attacking you. They want to show PM that we are the one supporting you. All of them that is supporting, they're claiming that they are supporting Simon Ekpa. Where does Adade Rama stand? Ongol group also. Ongol government under. All of them that is talking about Wari Pikin and I feel here on the internet. These people have no structure that now somebody like PM Jetanga or Sofeta, all of this thing, or on an empty thing. No. When you feel here in Hayota now is that So majority of them is gearing up of what they will use to fight PM when it comes, because they will say, after I spend my money going to Finland, I was there the whole month. I was there 2 weeks agitating for you to be to be released, and finally you came out. You decided to join Ngozi Olabeze. Just wait. All preparation, yeah, because before somebody may only they convince conscience, yeah, and you on made them go away that energy to be able to shake any name. Or ihe ụfọdụ n'ime ha na-eme imechakwa na eje Finland a nye polo see isi Simon Ekpa ha dị genuine. They are not genuine on whatever they are doing. They are just trying to lay foundation of how they're going to do the next fight. The reason why you should not panic is that n'ihe a na-eme doro m anya, ihe a na-eme doro gị anya. Madam Original mekwutekwa ya, ihe a na-eme doro. Ngozi Olabeze don't have to convince you of what she is doing for you to actually believe it. But because you are a human being, you understand, you have a brain to think. That is why whatever they are doing, you are following them up, knowing that they are doing it, going on the right place. It may be before, but you are assessing that now. Yes, this is fine. That now, they go recognition letter for over 200 countries. Is that not a progress? Okay, Nkere has been going to Washington for the rest of his life. Tell me any other any achievement at all. Nothing. Tell me any other thing that Rama has made rather than coming to internet to insult his father and his mother. Only also. Dr. Ngozi Olabeze and USB government are issuing ID card because ID cards should be part of referendum as well, because Nena anya phone and na support ha na the kind of see that na ndị ga-enye anyị Biafra, it will come from the north. And you can see what is going on in Nigeria now. The northern people are already dividing Nigeria. They are already putting a red carpet for us to exit by telling you that Nigeria is an Islamic state. That thing I know before. And that is a big thing for us to use as an advantage, knowing that we need to create out a Christian state, since the Muslim and the jihadist people doesn't want us to be in one state with them. But they are too blind. They are too blind that now they don't listen, because I'm saying some certain things because of facts, things that has happened. Rachel in Israel said that now the reason why the government have engaged with IPOB is because they are not a government. That for Israeli government to engage anybody, you have to form a government. Are we not in that line? We are. If America today decided to come and say, who do we negotiate with? Who are what? Okay, let's see what these people are doing. Somaliland, before Netanyahu recognized that Somaliland, they already had things in place. They already started running as a government. Do you think Somaliland was an organization and Netanyahu decided to recognize them? No. They were preparing. They were getting ready. Ama na mgbe ha na-get ready, enwe ndị nọ na-akọ ha ọnụ na ihe unu na-eme, unu enwetego land, unu na-eme na unwu government, unu enwetego nka. Somaliland was doing did the same thing the USB government is doing now, so that tomorrow how far Kelebu, you show your thing that oga nekwa na ihe anyị mego na ebe anyị nọ na ihe anyị need is a support. Only choice support to go need it is serious. But when people are so blind to understand that now in they don't get this thing. Iberibe were disease. Iberibe, not knowing is a disease. You have to be smart. You have to be thinking more than beyond where you are for you to understand how things work. Adadurama has never been part of any executive work before. Who was the government of Biafra here into work? It cannot work because of chicken brain. They have chicken brain. We have to thank God for this redeclaration of Finland, because all a very, very big foundation. Mona get today now, and I bambani na enaba. Obu na eme that redeclaration on shall I jeje fall back to again. We by now I can't doomed. But the reason why I fall back is because the majority understood the reason why we went to Finland. I got that. Because let us encourage ourselves. Kaibo nwanyume. Ihe anyị na-emekwan anyị erugokwan ya. Ọ Chukwu nna Joso na-agbara anyị na-enye clear anyị ụzọ. No matter how bad that it is. I mee nke anyị hapụrụ Chukwu na nke. Ma ọ bụ ma Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is coming out soon. Happen all of these people, Kahana Bahari. The only thing they will do to save their conscience is what they are doing now. Just let them shine for the last time while we wait for people that will cry, and we will now buy popcorn. Maybe all you want God. But aqua and more 4 o'clock see that day call beans na a vegetable with a glass of wine. No nege. Time will come. We shall all I get married. Chukuna go see everybody. May God bless the United States of Biafra. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Asem naka na echikom na ige me na kenken ebe God is naturally better. So manam other
kenke. Ọ dị nkenke na. Anyị mụ na ụmụ onye okwu na.
Ọbụrụ maka nke a n'ibu nke gana iwe time gị na
apụ River Goddess aka. Take your serious time. Leave her alone, please.
Awesome, please. Let me hear from you because we are going to wind down now. Please, very, very important. I want to wind down.
Okay, am I coming out?
Yes.
Am I coming out?
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you so much. Before me go, egwu a na-agụ oge ipere mpe a na-emegwu ama mmawo Helen Nkume ka onye kwere gbọsọ ọnọchi ejumọnụ ndị niile chọrọ ịmọchi mgbe m nọ na nsogbu ọtụtụ ha bịalanụ ka ha kụrụ mmiri n'ite mmiri onye nke mere ya tara ekele onye ọbụla ekele gị maazị Kai. I listened to your this morning. One thing is sure. Ịma na ahịa ọma na-erekwa n'onwe ya ahụ. Good product need the advertisement. Ịma na maazị Kai omena asị na m na-achị gị ọchị maazị Kai nwe ọchị mụnwa na-achị gị. You know, in you ka m hụrụ even esokwa m data na-eme gị encourage. In you ka m hụrụ ihe a na-akpọ our leader Maazị Nnamdi kwuru ya ọsị consistency where would the key. Maazị Kai, we are not born as a broadcaster or a journalist. We are not trained. You never school as a journalist. But when you look at, you know, I'm going to go times. I'm uche ga na ha ga ebe aha. O ya ka nje ga wetekwa that thing. O nwekwa another one. Mana ka hapụgoro ya mgbe oge rugodiri. You meet yourself. If you meet yourself, you say, Maazị Kai, ịgwaga na ngwere m onwe m awa ndị awali dị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-eme that thing na PM na-eme ya. Ya lee gị anya, it doesn't matter how you display. Ihe ọ na-ele anya n'obi gị. Ọ bụ obi gị ka ọ na-ele anya. Maazị Kai, mgbe iji nụ fonu eplay ihe ị chọrọ itreat iji fonu eplay ya It is funny. It is funny, but my brother is. No, no. Ihe leganya ile anya because o nwere onye challenge one day bịa na comment section gị na-akọ eri gị say that na ọ bụrụ na ole anya that na ihe na-ekwu adịghị ya mma na emere ya open YouTube nọ dị ya ga-emepe ya video broadcast ya also ya wụrụ video by the left or by the right comment section ya ga-achụpụ ya agbalaga ihe nji na-akpọta echiche ebe a na-abụ ka ị mara that na comment nọ na comment section so na kọmentị enwechara comment section hụ die na-agba m obi but you stay there relax kwa na-emekwa ihe gị ji nwayọọ na-eri dị ofe ọkwụrụ ma ndị kegoro gị n'imi ma ndị kegoro gị n'ọnụ gị na-ehicha ya na-eri ya nwayọọ na-abịa today look at where my brother, I appreciate you so much. Thank you. I'm happy that
people don't understand what you're saying.
No, now.
Because after triple M, because I just want to address a little thing, because. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So when I see
attitude is there, and I'm strong.
Even only our brother Dapradapo, see how we can do. Only here we leader Nagwa Yoga, as in the musician, the musician of the church. Also, now my vocalist as well. As by now, I may practice our leader, Jaya Guadatina, only age, the whole instrument na ekwoku na akpọpụ egwu na egwu na akọ instrument ọwụla kwuru ihe okwuru ma gbagase gele instrument kwuru ihe ọ keyboard kwuru ya ọ lead ọ bass ọ ma gbagase gele nke kwuru ya mana ndị wụjọ ọsọ ha na egwu ha na-agba amaghị instrument kwuru ka okwuru ya ma na egwu na-atọ ụtọ ha na-agba ya mere a na-akpọ egwu onye lead mee mistake onye vocalist na-agụ egwu atọ na ole ya anya because that is exactly analysis after graduate really.
I like him that word graduate.
My brother, you don't graduate. He was a lecturer now. I wasn't blushing. Because I know where you started. Maybe she be done now, but open your phone, go. If I get your camera, you give them any work. Each debunk. Give with the phone. See any who the camera is never again. You don't say.
Okay, what they make that kind of broadcast? I'm going to go say again.
Engineer because the level in on now, we keep a full layer, each a full child, each a full layer. But let's say, you check the level in name, the level in name of print now, give your early beginning. You appreciate God Almighty. And the number on the two sides.
You have the most important one, my brother. That is the network company.
No more for my God. He made mistake. One day, no problem. It doesn't matter. But for the fact and the image is stand out strong, stand out tall. What that now? And the in here na social media, in the bank here na social media. Now you can evidence. Now see the pale. I want to make you sopogi, nkoragi. Ayo sopoya. You need to hear that say, I need to go and verify. You don't need to verify. Everything not there open for you to verify. I just came in to appreciate us and our people ndị kwuru ekwu ekwuchara ekwucha na ihe m kwesịrị ikwu ekelele mmadụ niile Madam Origin Ocean Monster our sister River Goddess Akwabera ndị ọbụla odogwu Enugu na mbido anọ m n'ọrụ oge ahụ anọcha m na-ekwu onye ọbụla ekwutechala ya.
Thank you so much.
Our PM ị gaghị abịa sị anyị na-aga Finland ka eje protest. What are you protesting for? Can the government protest against government? It's impossible. Finland bride that we should go into what we are looking for diplomatically and documentary and legally. The terminology they use sounds all legally and legally. When you talk of legally, legally. If you are a government, you will go for legally. All only organization they may protest. Oh my goodness. My happiness today, Bugodu. Now, that day, 29th November 2024, my sister Chidemma Rutraka, that miracle. Some people miracle. How can I tell you? Ndị iberibe nọ n'ama mgbe ekere nke ọkwa ekecha na nke ọkwa ha ka na-eche miracle emere because all that miracle ahụ na-emerenụ na break doors today. A break the doors today left, right, center. That's where we are heading today. My people at the comment section, pardon my manners. I recognize you guys. I greet you people. I appreciate you people for your good work, for standing tall, for standing for the truth. Because it is only truth. Have the temerity to stand for the test of time. And that is where we are today.
Your network, yes, so I don't know why. Your network is breaking.
You and so much can go and be doing something all over the world.
9BX.
What?
Eze. This message from Eze in 9BX.
Eze.
Yeah. Also, I can place a bet of $5,000.
No, don't worry.
No, that's why I asked him. I'm just ending. I'm saying it because of other people, not because of him. Because
I've already terminated him already. So
yeah, but ending that kind of mindset. I'm trying to say it in a way that maybe if he doesn't understand, other people might be able to understand, except my somehow, because as he busy. I can place a bet of $5,000 that if PM Simon Ekpa is out, he will turn his back on Ngozi, because at the moment in court, he said he got nothing to do with anything called USB charger. Now, this is where I come in. If you were in a house that caught fire and the cops came and they arrested maybe 3 of you or 2, something like that, and you are in
Obi-Wan. What are you trying to defend here? The guy said USB charger.
I'm not talking about when the name this the same. Mr. Kai, just let me land a little, because
if he said USB, but he said USB charger, that's two different things. So
like I said, it's not for him. It might be for any other person, because some people are confusing somehow. And so many others inside. He doesn't know. I need it sometimes. Can they use our brain to actually understand? Court na court to say a role. Court ade udipe gina your neighbor normally. Case court with he with as fact, as evidence. The reason why Simon Ekpa is in the case is because why? Evidence in Nigerian government in there is hearsay. If this is the different, but if now Simon Ekpa is not with the USB. Simon Ekpa doesn't know anything about USB because he is inside when the new nation was born. He cannot answer about it. So boy and as no about Brigi. Ihe Nnamdi Kanu na-aza ụgba IPOB where ihe medewere awejide ihe eji maka ya mgbe a na arrest ga-abịa sị gị you under arrest, whatever you do or so will be used against you in the court of law. They are charging you based on the crime they believe you committed. But sometimes from the by they don't even understand things, how things work, because of Kanji Ekuriha. It's because of maybe any other person not here, that kind of mindset, but they don't have the balls to type it or bully enuchi. One of them might be equal mud. And was on certain programming we in here. Maybe my thinking is bigger than what you are explaining, or beyond them boring. What do? Because of you are saying it, expect on my level of thinking. But how my name when ending that thing in they need to learn it. So that is the reason why I am saying it, so that only people confused from the beginning. Why did they say that this is happening? So that they can actually use their brain to think, oh, okay, is this how this thing works? Or is this how that works? That's it. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate.
God bless you. God bless you, everyone. Thank you so much for that. All right. Master Greg, let me hear from you if you are still here with us. No, he's not. Madam Origin?
Done it for the first time. The PM will say we see it as maybe it's like muscling them or intimidating them or whatever. But since we are all from the same mother,
Master, we are no more hearing you. Hello?
has which you are the head and the key have been given to you. So now it's good to show that, yes, we are all brothers. But for you to come into this, our father's house, you must answer our father's name. To show that indeed you belong to this family. Because they have taken it for granted for a long time. So if there is any way to do it, at least let this one be a sign to tell them that indeed, true, there is a government. And the government know what the lawyer is doing in Finland. So for them to know that all those gaga is because we are from the same parents, but they are taking it for granted. That is my submission. Thank you, Mazikai, and God bless you.
And God bless you too. He said, thank you so much, Master Greg. Madam Origin.
Yes, Mazikai, thank you so much. Thank you again. I greet everybody. We have all said all the right things, and I continue to encourage as many as that will want to go. And please, whatever it takes, God will help provide. Especially those that have availability. I think it's more of availability now, and the cash. This is the highest, one of the highest things we can do, because apart from the rich, we are the only ones that will build it. Like nobody is coming to help us. America is there fighting its own. Russia is fighting this one. And we have a government, we have a platform, and we have a launch pad to fight the enemy and win. And we are going to win in Finland. God is going to help us. Thank you, Mazakai. God bless you.
Well, thank you so much, Madam Origin. God bless you too. All right, my people, I have to appreciate all of you for joining me in this live broadcast. We're going to wind down now. Thank you for your time. Thank you for what you do. Thank you for liking and sharing the video. May God bless you. And please, tomorrow, Pastor will be here, like I told you.
Mr. Kai, can I? My last words.
All right.
I thank God. I thank God that we are already home. Is that now everybody is now feeling the heat. I was listening to Precious last night, and you can imagine the media guy, the media lady that used to pretend as if she doesn't know what is going on in Nigeria situation and this and that. She was very, very angry last night because of whatever that is going on. So it seems like
Who was angry last night? Who was angry last night?
Precious mami ma ọ na-alụbu na the woman na-alụbu na voice of VOP radio or whatever.
Okay.
Mana o mechara mepezie platform nke.
Given away one.
Based on the statement now, the sheikh na-ekwu based on calling Christians infidel. So everybody I got to go exactly what Nnamdi Kanu is saying back in the days that these people think they know, they think that they own Nigeria, or they are telling you that they own Nigeria, but they now want to buy about most of this thing. They don't want to. Now in another place, somebody make and they cook about the shake of a thing. I went to the comment section. A Yoruba guy made a statement. Also, I'm not an Igbo person, but now I know why Igbo people are agitating for Biafra. So that shows you that now, at the end of the day, that now the table is turning quietly without you even taking any step, because everybody I realize will go that now this is what the Igbo people or the Biafrans have been yearning for, because they want to leave Nigeria because of the whole slaughter of a thing. And this time around, they are coming out boldly to tell you that you, as a Christian person, you are an infidel. And another Yoruba checky again, Potakwasi, that any Yoruba, any Muslim person were right to take any Christian as a slave. So it's hitting everybody, and I love it that way. So that Kodira is easy as well. So only when you keep as well, Mara honey the because okay, bye bye.
Well, thank you so much. So, Michael, thank you so much. God bless you. See you again. Day one. Come on, line, Goddess. Ige kune exactly. Oh, yeah. Okwaka gini kuna. Ijo ni dabata na studio. Ijo ni dabata na studio, Goddess.
Rap Goddess, I can Mr. Kai. Leave her alone.
Aku uno pali ya bano. Ya wa biya represent it today. I'll go biya represent. Ya wa no na comment na pass comment. Uno na body ego. Kode ke wa ma love you. Day one.
Is the time where every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is a nation, that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. This time that we had, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra
Although
It's the time where every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is a nation, that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. This time that we have, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile. Biafra now is a nation in Biafra land. So therefore, anybody still hanging on a platform of government in exile should exist from there. It is no longer government in exile because it has been declared. It is a nation, the United States of Biafra nation. We are here this evening to educate those of you who are ignorant about what you're supposed to do at this time. The distraction should stop. The confusion should end. It's the time where every media handle supposed to focus and spread.
Ogini na me. Ha obo abia naru. Chifu. Ogbuefi. Boyo Ogbuefi de me. Oh. Ogini na me. Oh. Ojadu Vodike. Oh my boy, piano. Deme. Piano kwa nwanne nwanyị. Akwa onye Enugu, akwa ya Nsụka o. Asi amaje. Deme. Isi ha bụ n'ọnụ. Nwanyị na-aka ibi ọrịa. What a man can do, a woman can do. Abụrụ ndị witches and wizards ya juru ebe a, abụrụ fanwa. Ọjadụ vuo dike, ogene. Devil ebe nwaanyị na-egbu ọja. Nne pụta gabafu gị. Yes. Agwe na-abịa. Abụrụ dị na-come on here. Akwa onye Enugu site. Wọfta ego bịa tụọ nwa anya ukwu ya ekwe n'ụbọ onye ego. Ọ bụrụ ọkụ ya na-eru. Bịa bụ onye ego. Ọnwa anyị ibeghị. Oh, ogene. Deme na tabazia no. How?